Jehoshaphat. Because when Yakopon so reject Ahab and his wife Jezebel. Because a moja woman saho. Oman left here bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab. Onyankopon decided to obey kumuno. Jehoshaphat cause wako help no. Ko nyame kum Jehoshaphat. Obi a nyame reject no yen help no yemwa.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na nadu be win, but yem fama no. Ebe ko court, but yem fama no. And it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but omo fama na ebe ko kopie court and AC.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Eni patimi di omo ho. Oman kasa self. Senka David tena ho. And anka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David efiri na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice. Powerful advice. Accurate. Emma David who say go in Ahithophel. One sem pabwa to Mirika eko mountain top ko bomb pese rade bremu bi na baby adru den. Because Ahithophel advice no dia ma me ba Absalom no me kingdom na ba wiye. Erade me your favorite bremu bi ene onyame ba mu bi. Ento Nyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom na kwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yenkwase asem e wo Absalom asum e mo kotie nkwala asem e mo onyame wusu sa e de save David. Enti papa me kan okra kire Ghana fo se enyo bia no onyame de netena konya so nipa bitimi de woman kasa self etimi de tena konya nyame mfa mo so.
In 2008 did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Me kai se Eradi bie mani the 31st all night and me hu say Nanado kuta key obi e do no de mu yansa nkrophobia distracting attention de mu yansa present atamils efri na chia ko radanum ene mutoye me ka sa ba no ye beto no more than once ene copy time. As for that onyame penenim
the clouds crying, who is that?
Me ka chiro
when who has been
who
has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, and I'm Ghana had a
he's an evildoer?
No. Wakamojabi I dibi magu amonyame buafu.
And he's been chained.
Obi boaw edu jina baby papa ye hwie ne mojagu and taking a position. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying, but
no, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
Like the one in the clouds.
I'm in pain, yeah.
Abusan for Chacha Munina. What you wusu bempah? And if you are bad, and if you are bad, the pantua by Mr. Wasabo Modern. Na share video ni yanko yanim. Otin sema wusu bempah kai. Otin sema wusu bempah e kai. Osio your sofo. Wey osio your sofo. Na osofo anyankopon hata soro. Ade a oyi kire ni nyina any politics. Ade a oyi kire no any politics. Now we want to take the story from far. The person men foul and nantim. Na wa ankasa hwe papa we. Ne the oyo said the nisu ne bantie. Said the beya. Ye wie na ye ti Abronye video no nsem bi a o ka fa wusu bempa ho na. Oni Abronye ya adwene. Na wa hu se enye ntro bi na wusu bempa o offense Abronye edi edegu wusu bempa so. Wusu bempa no oye ne ho kromfo person. Akwawe obobra e wo Kumase. Enanti Kumase ye ne ho ball boni ne board bono amfa saa breso no na ne yonkufo no nyina omo biti no wabrabom omo nyina akọ ena owusu bempa tena ase hu se asofudie ebinuma di sofo e de anya sika nti saa na te de no ho beji sofo asofudie owusu bempa na se ena me kire wi enti owusu bempa bo modene e follow asofofo bi na no omo agidini e di suesua trekish kwanya omo fa so asabi omo tumi ebeye powerful wo man no enye honhom fam o kwanya omo fa so psychologically omo tumi get into the minds of the people in the society na omo tumi control won ento wusubempa sha ase a odi o man man adwene edi agoro enye ne o sha ase a kere oye nkontompo na brabani onu ba bia mframa bokọ no eho na okọ baby a okwa na fu beye ma no eho na okro owusubempa entimi mompa ye manyankopom nkasa nkyere ne da bi owusubempa timi pia sika de ma amanfo ma omo ye research no de abegyina na sorry dan mu se o hye nkom owusubempa ewo access to some people enkrofo bi wo Ghana man mu a omo nim niema bebre wo Ghana man mu enti ono de no ye otumi enya information enya leak ma abonten now the kwakujana so the dem say nyankopon abie the special the spiritual realm e the ama osubempo ne na mhoro otumi twa sika de mani pass yenye research e wo man no yenye research na yemfa resource mere no enti ye research na the resource no bere na now the abegina bonten e the na ho guy in the spiritual realm na da bia nso no papa we niema nyankopon yi kire no eye sikafo ene amanyofo omo ho nsem se obetumi di adwene bia ba se nyankopon yi a kire me se yenye Ghana man sei yemfa wentoa on tip ene nyankopon yi kire no se be nyankopon yi a kire se bia ade se besi wo man num se bia covid e beba yi global pandemic pa no be a nyankopon ne wo kasa wantumi anyi nkyerɛ wo abusua me pese ne wo ho memfa wo mfam ensem bi no wo so bempa ka ne da bi efa mahama ho na me yo mo atie video de wo so bempa sam be kaaye e wo bere bim abra covid ba ye krem Russia wo ba ye Ghana yin sika sem be ye den nye Ghana oman wiase nyina ahokyere baaye bra na the global aba abonten se president ya otia konwa so head say ye call election a obenwene because of say ahokyere na aba e wo wiase mu nyina no na head say otia konwa so a obetimi anwen na election mana ye because ahokyere ni nti no amanfo de abufuo beto abatia atenke se bia wo na wonya wo niam yi ebi to Trump wiase nyina na nado danko akufo adon kwa na covid time oti maintaining ni seat temiye pa wiase the whole world abato omoto ni 2020 ni 2019 any 2021 nom no aban bia no ha na ote akonwam a otimi winning ni seat osan remaining under his position ni nyina ne se de na wiase asia ye den no amanfo edi anibre ene to aba editia nipa a wodi won so because na wiase ehye nanso wusu bempa ayade ne ba ne de wanhu o se yade bi beba wiase nyina na wiase nyina abeye mere beye mobon wanhu na mbom ensunsanso na ayade ne de ba wiase nyina no eno na nyankopon ka kire wusu bempa I also been passing na because been pass off. I also been the fake prophet. Na sem na make. Enti ohun say yekoto ababia the Cuban president owusu. Ehwa and also the say afi mahama benwene. Na enam nsem bi so na maha waka fa mahama ho painti no. No suru empo so be ko mahama ni. na actually ye betie video na ensem bi na wusu bempa ahyase a oyo ne nne niema bi a wa ahyase ode ne ho abɔ Kennedy Agyapong na ɔmo ayɛ koro a ɔmo yo na yensan kɔ yɛ chikakra na yenko tie brebim abra na MPP fo twa sika mani di no nsɛm a na ɔka fa Mahama ho we are in a digital time the obeka ne ne bia no ɛda hɔ ɔkyena yɛbɛbɔ akyerɛ wo sɛdeɛ ne Sam George ne nkwasiafoɔ no Mahama nom ne okugyeto abra kwanom nsɛm ne nkwasiasɛm a ɔmo keka ya na yɛbɔ ɔmo video kyerɛ ɔmo ana ɔmo abɔ ɔmo ti ase no the same thing ɛna ne de bɛyɛ owusu bɛmpa ne nsɛm na num nsɛm ɔno ankasa na num asɛm na de bɛbɔ no yɛnko tie nsɛm a sabio owusu bɛmpa kan ne before 2016 ewia na ya toa so abaya atoa de ne de owusu bɛmpa me maame Esther Keba, maame mo akwaba maame Jennifer Edo mechiao me maame Monica tutu amechiao Jaben Evans mechiao ye pa na Adams Father Dixon Kwajo Boaten Eric Clifford Comfort Man Meds George Takame na Yari na James Ter wonso me mo akwaba pa yenko tie nsɛm a owusu bɛmpa kan ne brebi e de fa Mahama ho na yento aso
Onyankopon say Samuel and this na debia who pleaded for Saul free Saul the political party no because man reject no neko David in chain neko kwa anoint ne ye king because ono na machusu no enti onyame timi reject king ana president emo onyame say chusu another king ana say president
escriptie ne ye pa sabre we mu maame Joyce afrim memo akwaba Idris wonso mu akwaba na maame amba wonso mu akwaba sabre we ya na owusu bempa keka nsem we no abusu amaso se like video na share oba na wa share ne ekoya nim esere wa oba na wa share ne ekoya nim na o like video no ka ho sabre na owusu bempa ka nsem we no no na ye bere bia na heat no ano e tene wo Ghana man mu se NDC for the garamse abagana ma 2016 yensuo nyina asɛe kom de amanfo dumuso sika adwuma ho ayedre teacher training allowance pen nursing training allowance pen hwini ho amanfo na ye hye kompreni owusu bempa baabonten a ɔse Nyankopɔn ayi akyerɛ no sɛ Mahama obefira konwa so keep on enti
has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa ho
teniye.
Why? How?
So uwo spiritual eye. Na se obeka no kra. Uhu Klaus a. Ewo Ghana ha no mo a. Obi face e hye Klaus no a e hye tears.
We atamels asem no kan sabre wem na atamels ewu ye emfe be se num aba. Papa we psychological person kan kire Ghana for say atamels na nim esensen wiem a otini suo adenti Mahama kum no Mahama nsa aye moja yento ado
onyame buafu
nti Nyankopɔn buafu
unu ade afene Klaus mununkum obi anim ehye mununkum a ehye tears. God being so good onyankopon smart angels so omumfa bow enso so tears no se be ya and drop down antisa calamity ebesi omanyimu because onyankopon say ne ma e Ghana ha na watie ne ma mpaibo nti punishment bi a e se to oman bi so ana oman so enam obi nti waman angels at the bowl aso eno mu de asi nkyɛn
tieniye pro papa na ono ti wie ma osu no ne nisio no eye sabio yade owuo banyankopɔn se mo man Ghana na nkwa na Nyankopɔn do no enti yede nkyɛnse ne bonsuo asoso nsuo no na maybe Nyankopɔn na ono nim nipa wadi ne bone na de ntia ompanish saa nipa no na Ghana fo nyina na opanish omo enti Nyankopɔn owo wiase no owo soro ho no enti ono no Obidi bone a ode ho asotwe ema nipa fofora na anase wa obedi bone ena Nyankopɔn twe waso papa we wo hu o sha ase enye nne o o sha ase enye nne yento ade yenko ne tentem
ena Onyankopɔn se Ghana fo nim next wo mu go wrong against the onu Nyankopɔn decide no say Charlotte say yo say ye hwan yo Onyankopɔn be masa ties no agu Ghana na se gu Ghana esuma Ghana fo ebe experience no ene bra Ghana fo be bre no obi antimi mblemu Nyankopɔn because
tieni ye pa ti asem na akwa na kan ye trekeshen kwa sabre no no nim se Ghana fo ho kire o Mahama transu di Ghana konwa nkoma ne boy enso osi da bi Nyankopɔn na aka na sabre na obi di ne sika koto bank okwa akoyi age se ye chene boro no no enipa na oni munyansa so obehu se papa wo onye good government. Hey, owusu.
Getting more controversial and more complicated, Bishop.
Chain so bi mene ni west ene ne nan ene ne nsa ene Onyankopɔn di na gina honom etwen judgment na sa nipa ko ne wie be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana penfo bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan kore. Obi timi sore ka se die ntina wo ye prophet or prophesy about election. He's the same yesterday, today and forever. So Nyankopɔn use old prophets. E mo prophesy afa government ho a. Na so read 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyame ka se ma frebi ama government a. Na chese sans of no mo kasa no, they don't know their scriptures. Omo ko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sin no onyame na tu hene.
Enokre se Poladmo chetu na wa ye confused. Because bias or think deep biano nsema wo kebe na ye confused. One sema wo kebe na ye confused. According to this man, Nyankopɔn the free soro na obeto aba na de ayi nipa. We are no mu yo. This is how they do omutimi di control masses. Control nipa dom no mugu asodi masema akwa we be kan ye fana. We yo to your net semia or Johnson to semia. You could have win in Papa Mubon, maybe a moon. We be on a home bone, maybe to me home bone. And 50 tenor be beyond, but guy we. I don't want to say that he's a special kind of woman. You're born quantity to be so. Hey, Jesus Christ, I am mobile. Jesus Christ, I'm a one bay, nipati tropi wogana, my moi. With fake prophecies. Mami dana me mwakwa papa yentoado.
Onyankopɔn kasa efa omebia ho. Onyankopɔn ani wo mebia akonya ho. Obi bi obetena omebia akonya so onyame nim hu bi. So obefa kwamboni suo so obewie mo so obeden onyame nim hu bi. But judgment ni duru hono ma. God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Or a Ghanaian.
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Na me peso be a challenge me. Me nkasa me nkwa na me man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, mintiminda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because Onyankopon ewo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Bibi si o man we say mu a. I'm surprised. Send ni patimi yes ade no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enu nti Onyankopon bu fu so. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matem I don't mind. Because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president biema enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana mo pa mo dating to.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame semenka, so I have to say it.
Platform like that, because we're going into an election.
Papa,
you are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa,
the president has been in churches, so to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan. The
reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Jehoshaphat, because Onyankopon so reject Ahab and then the wife Jezebel, because emoja woman saho, woman left ya bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba.
Entertain you or how? Me as some person me ma un get in say. Nyankopon e make a decision a finito. Nyankopon make a decision a finito. There is no discussion. And this Nyankopon in 2016 e can same way nyina pa ke me mo akwaba. E can same way nyina fa John Mahama ho a. E ba ne sen e na 2024 papa we ba abontene e be kan asem fufuro bi. Yen to aso na yen jump to another video. Yen tie video no nyina.
Timer. Ehab Onyankopon decide so obekum no. A Jehoshaphat course wo kwako help no. Ko nyame kum Jehoshaphat. Obi a nyame reject no yen help no ye moa no.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na Nadu be win, but yem fama no. Ebe court, but yem fama no. And it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but omon fama na ebe kopie court and AC.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Enipa timi di omo ho. Oman kasa self hwe. Senka David tena ho. Ena nka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David efiri na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice. Powerful advice. Accurate. Emma David who say go in a tough. Warren Sampabwa to Mirika Echo Mountain top ko bomb pese rade bremubi na baby adrune den. Because Ahithophel advice no dia ma me ba Absalom no me kingdom na ba wiye. Erade me your favorite bremubi eno onyame ba mu bi. Ento Nyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom na kwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yankwase asem e wo Absalom asum e mo kotie nkwala asem e mo onyame wusu sa e de save David. Enti papa me ka no kra kire Ghana fo se enyo obia no onyame de ne tena konya so nipa bitimi de woman kasa self etimi de tena konya nyame mfa mo so.
In 2008 did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Me kai se Eradi bie mani ye 31st all night. Ana me hu se Nana Dokuta key. Obi e do no de mu yansa nkrofobia distracting attention. De mu yansa President Atamils efri na chia ko radanum ene mutoye. Me ka sa ba no ye beto no more than once. Ene copy time. As for that, onyame penenim.
The clouds crying. Who is that?
Me ka chiro.
When?
Who
has been? Yeah, who has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, and then Ghana had a beer.
He's an evildoer?
Yeah,
no. What can Mojabi? I did be magu. I'm on Yami Buff.
And he's
be a dibimu. Obi Bow, Edu Gina baby, Papa, you share the Mojamu and take I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying. But
no, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
Like the one in the clouds?
I'm in pain, yeah.
And the person won't say, Saa papa we yɛfrɛ no owusu bɛmpa no ɔyɛ election merchant. Nyɛ sɛ Anthony Mwakwaba ɔyɛ obi ɔyɛ election merchant. Mekɛ sɛ ɔyɛ election merchant a ɔno ne sika ne yɛyie sɛ sika bɛba ne bɔtɔm ne nyinaa gyina bere a yɛbɛyɛ election. Because yɛduru sɛ yɛba abɛyɛ election a na wafa asi ne ho so sɛ ɔbɛba bɛdi ntorɔ de akyerɛ ɔman ma no sɛ Nyankopɔn ayi bibi akyerɛ no. Yɛn nyinaa nso anim sɛ ɔman no a yɛtim no nnipa a wɔgye asɔfofoɔ di nnipa a sɛbio sɛ ɔmo nkunu mpo ma ɔmo advice a gye sɛ ɔmo kɔ ɔmo sɔfo hɔ ekobi sɛ ɔmo sɔfo sɛ enti asɛm wei na me kunu aka akyerɛ me memfa nyɛ adwuma anaasɛ ma memfa nyɛ adwuma. Enti papa wei nim sɛ deɛ ɔman ma no teɛ hawa amanfoɔ no ɔsɔfo kasa ɔmo suro. Enti yɛ abɛbɛduru election biara mu a na ɔde ne ho aba sɛ ɔyɛ Nyankopɔn ba a odi kan enti Nyankopɔn ayi akyerɛ no. Papa yi sɛ mutie nsɛm a na ɔka yi a wei na 2016 no na wahu sɛ ɔman ma no apempen so aduru mpɛmpɛn so bi ɔmo ntumi ne Mahama ntena biam sɛ Mahama ni wɔn so. Ɔno ano onim sɛ na ɔno nso na ɔte man no sɛ na ohu dum so na ohu nsɛm bi no ma na ɛkɔ so a na nsɛm fata sɛ ɔman Ghana yɛbɛtena mu na bibi saa bɛkɔ so. Enso wusu bɛmpa bɛtena hɔ kataa n'ani de bibi bɔ ne ti ɛkeka nkwasi asɛm de kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ Nyankopɔn na yi ɛde ama no. Na hwɛ deɛ mo ho sɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo yɛ atorɔfoɔ na ɔmo yɛ nkontompofoɔ ne sɛ Nyankopɔn yi asɛm kyerɛ wo a woka wonsuro sɛ womma obi dini. Sɛ yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ revelation bi a wanya firi sorosoro ɔde ne ho ahoɔden nyansani no hɔ a woka asɛm no a you say it how it is, you don't put any comma woka ne nyinaa pɛfɛ. But akwa wei ka sɛ ɔka Mahama ho asɛm but omie na no nka nkyɛw sɛ Mahama asɛm na ɔka. Adenti a osuro Bible mu ka ba bia Nyankopɔn diifoɔ ɔmo anka ɔmo nsɛm sɛ da no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo nka no ɛnam suro a na ɔmo suro. Obiara ni hɔ even common people kura ne Nyankopɔn ne Yesu nankasa de siani ɛka ɔmo adwene de kyerɛ Nyankopɔn nankasa. Na nipa dasani enkontompofoɔ nko a na obi a ɔso wakum obi mogya ayɛ ne nsa no na ɛnam saa so nti Nyankopɔn bu afu no ɛnam saa so nti ama papa bi a wawu n'anim ɛsensen wiem a ɔhwɛ ɔman no so a nisuo na ɛti guo. 2024 deɛ Nyankopɔn ahohoro ne ho ayɛ ne odwan fitaa odwan agu ama a yɛbɛtumi ɛde no ama ne di Ghana man so. So wahu ɛdɛ video wei after owusu bɛmpa tumi atena se aka nsɛm a ɛnte sɛ agu Mahama so atwa ntoro agu Mahama so sɛ Mahama kum nipa Mahama ne nsa yɛ brɛdi hwan ɛnam sɛ wɔn sɛ opposition party ɛba sɛ ɔmo bɛba ban mu a wɔka bi ma ɔmo to sika gu so deɛ ɔbɛdi nti ɔbɛdi ntoro. But akwa wei na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo bɛtena akonnwa so na nneɛma wei a na ɔyɛ nti ɔkɔ siki promise yɛnsi asɔre dan ma na Nana Addo say yɛntumi nsi wɔ asɔre dan ma because ɛyɛ wankasa wɔ personal property ɛnyɛ ɔman ne property sɛ mɛde ɔman sika ba bɛsi ama wo. Nana Addo ɔnyɛ corrupt ɔyɛ obi ɔno no ɔman ne sika no ɔde yɛ deɛ ɛbɛboa ma me ne wo ɛne obi bia nya so mfasoɔ. Nana Addo wɔ hɔ no ɔnyɛ obi afei na ɔbɛsɛ sɛ ɔman ne sika de ama wo sɛ gye woyɛ sɔfo nti gye na fasi aso daabi akwa wei bufu yɛ ma ne ba abɔnten bɛhyɛ ase bɛdidi ntoro ka deɛ ɔpɛ nyinaa de gu Nana Addo ne Dr. Bawumia wɔn so. Na deɛ twa toɔ ne sɛ papa panyin a wote sɛ wotumi twi tuo sɛ wode kɔ ɔbaa bi fie akɔbɔ ne tuo. Apolisifoɔ bɛkyew a na wadan w'ani brɛ ɛdeɛ tan aban na ɔte akonnwa so na woti na yɛ sɛ nya mpipi aban ɛna ɛboa yɛ ebreki nneɛma bi a nkadampare nkade ɔde bɛyɛ ɔno wɔ ho nkadampare gyeri okura for many years kodi nkwasi asɛm obi a ɔsɛ nyankopɔn na ɛbɔ ɔho ban nyankopɔn yi nneɛma kyerɛw Jesus na woyi nneɛma kyerɛw wɔntumi amma wɔ amane anka nkyerɛ sɛ nkwasi asɛm na wokodi sɛ wodi tuo ɛkɔ ɔbaa fie sɛ wokɔ akɔbɔ ne tuo wagyimi wasesa nkwasiafo agyimi fo ɔmo nkɔ so ɔmo kita phone ɛna ɔmo twa video kita wɔfɛ ne dɛn AK-47 no tu akɛseɛ ne maame na ɔda nyaako mu akɔ ɔmo kita tu a mo eduru na ɔmo twa video na ɔmo de gu social media no so na ɔmo yɛ live video yaba wo fie sibra fam yaba wo fie sibra fam na yɛnku ɛno nyankopɔn anyi ankyerɛ wusu bɛmpa sɛ saa deɛ na ɔyɛ no yɛ bɔne go against the criminal code in the country our team Jimmy ɛna akɔɛfa nanado si hɔ na odi na atɛm yɛ ne so paa no nanado a disappointment okeka ne nkwasi asɛm a afei deɛ enipa na wosi nyankopɔn si ne nsa ho ayɛ mogya wadi ɔman Ghana wu wakuma nipa a waboa na ɔpagya na kosi baabi ɔnsɛm fata sɛ ɔbɛtena ɔman Ghana akonnwa so ɔnyɛ nipa pa because ne nipa bɔne ne nipa suban no obedi ɔman no so a ɔman ma ne bɛbrɛ ɛde haw ne kɔdaa na ɛna ɛbɛbrɛ ɔman nyankopɔn na ɔso ɔka kyerɛ wo wa nkɛsɛ yɛ wadwene o wosi de nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ wo no afei yɛdu 2024 wiase ayɛ dene covid akyi baabi a ɔman biara abu nkotodwe wiase mu nyinaa general election bi a yɛyɛ biara the incumbent party na ɔte akonnwa mu elusu yɛ it is for fact na n'ado nkoa na 2020 otimi win general election across the whole world Donald Trump etunu fira akonnwa so because of covid and I did to Donald Trump a free akonnwa so but nanado to me maintaining but after 8 years in Sansona fe na sha se about 2022 mu ho na dollar shutu na 15 owusu bempah observe all these things are afedi akoya sesana no adentia nyankopon yi a kire ne se enipa na John Darega Dramani Mahama na nyankopon di kan ka kire ne se oye nipa bi oye musuo ne nsa ho mogya onsem fata ode aho kire bebra ye no nyankopon asen ka kire ne so yo nipa bi anakoma ye na da ben na obi anakoma ye oye wudi ni kum nipa ekum ni panyina odena one man is so na brabom obi a yesi wakoma ye o a man with a good heart da ben not so obi anakoma ye no otumi dane ne ho wudi ni kum no ankasa ne master but owusu bempah tumi gina nipa domanim ekama ye nyina ye te se nyankopon se papa na koma ye na aya na me say we are some of we Ghanaians no the short memory association na ye adwuma too much we so enti niema bi o ha ye nkai na niema bi so o ha ye mani twi fa ye nso ntentem ye wure firi ntentem na enye sa enkadan owusu bempah gina ho ka kire Ghana for say nyankopon se Mahama koma ye no saada na wo se nkankwasiafo na omugu na so dan mo nko mu nyina nko mu tu firi na so dan mo because minti bi da say nipa wa akoma pa etumi get to a time oye wudi ni kum nipa for no reason onye boni onye kun no omukun enye se nipa no kokun de je ne manye oda bi o kum no e de awia bibi afrisa nipa no sa nipa ne ye nipa bi anakoma ye me Ghana fo ye trans gidi say owusu bempah ba beka now you know what I want to tell you me I believe say sa papa no So the medical can't turn or a trickish. And yes, and as some no can and a man Ghana for Koto about the Mama Hamo. And you know, I want you now about we arsenal, and then the names to a Ghana for Binum Kurampi Uncle Kotoaba, and some of you the Kennedy Agyapong so can ye far home, and also I'm subbing a man for Uncle Kotoaba. But no owusu bempah him say, MPP Belusu, and nam sabio the critical conditions are near womb. And to the whole confirm the winning team, or so for winning how to lose. How can you be serious? Or so for brempong, or so for moi, winning to me accept losing when and wine. Or so for to me accept is a wusu. And the winning team, none of the Biodo Hokobam. Also, bempah. The moving na yakasa, ni yakasa the man anando danko kufuade. Say Dr. Bawumia betimi continue. But research about bontening there is no Hana Dr. Bawumia because of how this for me generate propaganda na ye direct and connected to a huchra na ba we are propaganda no mu generate you know na ye connected part to the common things, the basic needs of somebody. And the man kiti be a wuhia or abra bom. A huchra ba na untumi ntobi na ye kan kire say akufo ado ne nkrofo akufo ado dware wo wiem wa ha ne private jet ane po kakraka utie mi yepa na ye kan kire say we tisira dapa ye kokonya se 10 million se $2 million wo ni fie abra wunye skampo no de ato semina. So the NDC generated a kind of propaganda na ye directly link na a reasonable say enipa no wa ahokyere no ebetumi anya abufuo de ato aba de atia aban na ɔte so no owusu bempah hu se line no eye green pe na osan ba abot na nkwase akeka enti owusu bempah no oye trickish guy use mind games ohu ba bia ho da na wa jump to there because he want to the opposite onyina ho ma say we there ye to aba bia ono na timidi time who will win enti owusu bempah data ye bo video no Abronye kan se bebere wa sha ase o ya another one oni Kennedy Agyapong a sha ase o mo ye nsemfo oni Kennedy Agyapong a sha ase o mo ye nsemfo Kennedy Agyapong aman 1.5 million Ghana $1.5 million. So on chance non can semfun and from for the MPP promise no. And in time me bo video which say here akwa we ni sunu ne ban. Onye nipa bia Nyankopon sponsor bi won so. Onye nipa bia Nyankopon ho nsra won so. 2024 campaign asofofo mo Ghana nyina the majority of eduru numere na omukọ gina platform so a ana eduru send a de na omuye nyina ne se omobeka nsemfo de afa MPP amanyoko no. The churches were turned into a political platform to na omode campaign. Owusu bempah betimi ama promise on na ewo Dr. Bawumia ho menji nida. I don't believe say ono no wani bi a ode kasa asem no. Okani yemu, okani papa mo, menji nida. I believe in the reality. Or ye trickish man, or ye game mind game prayer kakrakapa. Or ye mind game prayer kakrakapa. Say Utimbe traho incite people against men. Who to make a cancer from the farm and for whom they didn't cheat near boy and some man. Now, Aqua we cancer from when you are farmer hammer who we are 2024. Pedema Aqua we ye. Babon Temeke Samahama is a good man. Aqua we sent to me could any padomanim ko bomb pired Mama Hama saying Coupon Weshirano. Look at it.
Oh, name you know, young couple. The Odena Dom or Mankana. Na obedi o mayenim ebre ti sei etumi bia ntimi nsia na okwan enam ne so oman ebekọ nani enne ena wahye enne ena waka watintim no ewo oman yakonya kese so ewo Yesu din mu amen.
So who abra papa we hu say said the name sikon abeye drense na Dr. Bawumia betimi anwen na kwa na tentem na ma Abronye achiro mu later odi America ko join Mahama goro pastors ya wa group omo a omo ye adwuma wa asori dan mu de ma no na tie papa na ano wasen ba abontene biem afi na mate nema bi ase oba abontene asem obeka aye ne se NDC for 2 me tie omo achi no ate abafom na mom na MPP for should not do a mistake some be presenting nipa yankopon pe no osanso di again twaso why not refer to Dr. Bawumia and akwa we ebony jandam in a church. Na yentie video we etie video we are na ya tenase na etie nkyerɛkyerɛ mu Abronye de aba concerning de nam so ntie owusu bempah ebe gyina abonten ɛka saa nkwasi asɛm no ɛwɔ na sɔre dan ho wo de tie
fontie anhwɛ ye ade onyame de amamo no 2028 muntimi nto aso me kasa so onyame difo ana yankrofo sɛ political party bi ba ban mu a omutwa 2 terms omutwa 8 years send this for mo de mo ho to sa asem we say so a mo be disappointed
all parties
only 1 term
you will be disappointed if you are not careful you will only last for 1
because
term
scale na me hu ye no
because the scale I saw
to me ade mo ba ye
the power that brought you into power
drop down
the force and energy that brought you
into power
started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it.
Now you
can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. The members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message and they do not take the steps required of them to take a time. Now,
and I will be promising me what disappointed me. If no be a cocasa be a promise on the Anyaman until no day a before the Casa Mesramo, or be promising me.
Now,
I shan't come send me baby.
I did not prophesy because I wanted something. I declared what the Lord revealed to me.
And I mean, so no pampham and chancing call NDC in India also Medianini.
Now, and I've not
and I mean, cause NDC in India, Sicano or so on family, and I'm there before they say, there be the American, Modia Mopa Montronto. That's your saying.
28
Montronto.
If you don't take a certain step you are supposed to take, you will lose power very early. But that is not what God determined for you. But you are rather doing for things to become. So please be vigilant and remember your first love. The zeal, the force, the energy. You came to power. Remember and take the necessary steps. I am a servant of the Lord, a messenger, a carrier of God's word. Maybe this will be the last time I am saying this.
2028
until 2028. And when it gets there, that is when people will know that prophet owusu bempah is a true prophet of the Lord. Ghanaians have not yet realized.
Na mamenkyerɛ wa ade bi de nte owusu bempah ba abontene bɛka asɛm wo yenyere enim sa Mahama ɔmo yɛ campaign nsɛm a ɔmo keka ayɛ no na nsɛm no mu ɛdene na nsɛm no mu ɛdɛ ɛma Ghanafoɔ especially the youth. Enti amanfo nyagidie titiro bi sɛ Mahama is coming to change everything. Enti kura MPP for kura so ɔmo nkɔto aba ama no because ɔmo bɛma NDC fo ato aba na ɔmo anwe ni because ɔmo believe sɛ Mahama bɔ ɔde ade papa bɛba. Mahama ba ayɛ no enniema na ɔka ne na ɔyɛ o enti NDC for no kura adwa na ano Musa Dankwa NDC for research aba abɔnten sɛ enipa no expertise ya no mo ewo Mahama nim no in 9 months no bebree no omunye nya even 25% of the expectations nti amanfo adwa papa wenya asale nkana no begina abonten oh ni Sunday asori dem say in spiritual realms papa wenim say asidu nkatia any Judas Dabra omo dia poni dendende pa concerning who is going to lead the party after John Mahama. And you take advantage of that. And they be confused. A man for na da achibi waka say, "Onu mum na ye den, onu ne kan ye." But yentenesa, obwa, or ye researcher, utie sika de man for more moko ye research the man. Or she de twa sika to ho. Ana so ye researcher na wa frɛ wo, ubani fia na wa dada, na wa kan de wa ye resource wo wanya no de kwogina bonten edwa nanum e de kire Ghana for say wei ene beba wei ene beba ene ne owusu bempa enti saa asemo ya wote ne hayi eye scientific amamfo ya research de aba bonten ye nyina yenya bi ahwe yenya bi atie enye me na me ye enye mpp ni na ye eye NDC research aye fene Musa Dankwa na ye but enam so nya information na first enti no o di kind de ba bonten be ye de say yankopon na ya che no wiase na mo yenkone nkonko tie de okaka ho de tie de okaka ho
that prophet Osman is a true prophet of God.
All the
things God has used me to accomplish, they have still not realized.
NDC
Members of NDC, listen here. Those in power, listen. The spirit that was backing you has dropped. The force and the power, the energy that pushed you into government, into power, has dropped significantly, and you are dropping. And so, 2/3. If you want to rule for 2 consecutive terms, then you must stand yourself, or else.
After Omanpenny John Dramani Mahama, NDC Mubefraben.
And this was your tear. And Tipapaya to research na ba bonten odi ntro. Now this is important because we have to. Now we have to jump into the video of Abronye.
Yeah.
Me share that na me share say do free actually. Because me person men drive for you to get to the bottom of the reason why ya ene owusu bempa na me de ye me show. Enti owusu bempa hu de ekoso. Owusu bempa hu se sabio we ni na ekoso wo man no. Enti owusu bempa de America gidi ababe cancel we just to deceive the people. For it to look like say eye ni titiro bi na ewo nyankopon na de na yi na ade bi a kire ne na obi anya huye na ono nko a na eye the man of God no nko na nyanko oboa mesi we eye pure research a ene NDC for teacher for nyina timi na edware ekoye demonstration at tia party omo na ye campaign de ma party no timi yo NDC for omo ankasa timi dware efa atade ehye epie krom so omo koye campaign na sane ma we asekire ne sen asekire nyina ne se nipadom na omo eye adwumaden de ma John Mahama in 2024 no de no omo hwehwe no omo nsanya nkae enti amanfo adwa and it is clear say promise na Mahama promise wom no kuntumi nye ma won ebi nti say teacher for aye ka kire omo say ye ba ye de teacher for sika be mo sika de beto aduana mo school for nkura ye de be ma headmasters akodwam akwakotam ponchi ne mankeni ne koko ne nkokɔ ne hwan saa asɛm na John Mahama kan no sɛ na wote akiri a obe believe say ɛyɛ message nyansa nim, but it was a very serious message because to the teacher headmaster no te sabio drosek a manage school no So we den krana aduane sika komano na oti even 10% of that amount of money. Na odi ye ono ankasa ni fie adwuma wa boa no. So the teachers were excited and they were even campaigning seriously for John Mahama. But omo betru yo omo try omo say enye ye na omo ye free ho no. Teacher ni na wo da no. Sese no wadwa. Teacher ni no wadwa. And it is normal say people have started understanding how thievery and how corrupt and propaganda. And this is amanyoko no ye. But yamfa we nto ho na ye nkoso na ye misa bisansem kakra. Ye na si ha. Akwa we ya hyase o ye adwuma ma Kennedy Agyapong because Kennedy hu say election obere. And Kennedy Agyapong hu so obere. Enti wa hyase a odi asori for na ye adwuma. Wa tuatua sika ma won wo de mokọ amonka sesei na amanfo mmelivu se Nyankopon ehwehwe ono Kennedy Agyapong so me den. Omra no mediga na mayani. MPP go obedi MPP anim no. It is surely so very because we are going to work seriously for whoever lead to win. Enti the woman 1.5 fake prophecy, $1.5 million fake prophecy. Osuba banka se no numuton or say Kennedy Agyapong aman $1.5 million. Some fan can one answer them say Yankopon so many MPP. Now the tier. Who the tier? And the park here can. There were nurses for what since Mahama Betna Konya so Tia won kada. Omoda. You were teacher for why you into Omokada. Omuninaja. Into wusu bempah you the cycle of other people to show himself to be a big man of God. But a fake power. Now, listen to the psychological part here. Or the pray to promote Kennedy Agyapong on the MPP delegates. The video.
NPP for Musumuntie
Now, NPP, listen to your prophetic word.
MPP. Mistake amoye ani brebi atwamu no.
You see the mistake.
Musa had towards the same mistake.
So what? And they say Nando Danko Akufo Addo Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. And they had the mistake in question. Mistake na ye no. Some mistake na say the Dr. Bawumia na ye den. Eba be jina ye.
Ma hwe amon so mo betre opposition sa na mo da so te wo.
Now the mistake you did some time ago, you are still committing the same mistake. And if you are not careful, you remain in opposition.
Semunim na mo kofa ni a enya nyame choice. Na mo force di ni enya nyame choice ba. Mo besan hwe awie no kwa de be che kane no.
If you decide to choose a leader who is not God's choice, and you force the person on the party, you will lose in the coming election, and it's going to be worse than 2024.
When the attempt did you never know? So do matama, myself where you on the duty. I'm stop home.
Now, this is what will bring the insults. People would insult me.
Me and Kasa, you mean you attempt? Bama dofo a o mupe masem enya masofo empa amadofo o mbeka ebisu a kire.
But if you insult me, don't feel
like me. Mon kan sa pepepe ma mon kotan ne no. Central for mon kan sa pepepe. Ma mon tan ne no. Maybe the SS o di matema me fiu. But me ma no o mu bufu no mo kaso be fiu a me stop o mo. Because Bible say emfiu okwasea. Eduru time bi so si fiu okwasea.
Now the Bible says do not respond.
But me ma be few. Me say NPP.
Now once again NPP.
Samunim. Na mo say from so na mo ya ni bre bi atwa mu.
If you make the mistake you made some years ago.
This time 38 ramunya.
This time you will not even score 38.
Mosumo pa mo date into ho. Na mo hwe se odi for o man mu ampa.
Mark today's date if you want. And let's see whether there's a prophet in Ghana.
Meka na masaka e de atwa to say. So person tena Ghana konya no so a. Bra menchen na menche onyame akwan. Menko juju ho.
Now,
menko samanfrani ho. Menko siesie anantwie.
Any nyan. Branyami di for ho. Na min chiro ni a wobeye a wobetimi awini election.
Now, if you want to become a president, come and we'll show you the ways of the Lord.
A
prophet of God you believe.
Because I am
not the only prophet in the nation. Every prophet has got his own power. God has given him. The grace varies from prophet to prophet. So NPP party, please. And refuse to think carnally.
Sensitive.
And be sensitive. Now, what you did some time ago that has taken you into opposition. Be careful.
Allow the members. Allow the delegates.
Let them choose who they want to choose. Don't force your choice on them. Now, I am only speaking to you in the realm of things where you understand.
I rest my case.
But I know what is going on in the spiritual realm. I rest my case.
Asema papa ikenyi na eye de wono ankasa de na adwene ayedan a generate enam se akwakoji sika wo Kennedy Agyapong ho enti no o yedan o brainstorm the delegates so monto abamfa ma Kennedy Agyapong de o kenyi na de o kan no on kan asem fufuro bia na hey, akwa wepa. Asemo kan ye, minu nyina ye nipa ye titwi. Emfa won so ye twini anaso nye twini. Na de mepese nka menka nkyere owusu bempa ne se. On kan kire Kennedy Agyapong se niema boni a oye ni last year no. Ye ko 2028 ya emane nye enumom na ye niema boni. Se obeton party no adaka mu nsema abonten. Sa obeka de onim afa wankasa wo party ho sa obeton party no wo kwabone so obedi ntro atwa ntro de afa wo party no ho no ene na ye ne mabone bi a omoye ne last election e ma pipi do su ye enkrofo no mo ka che daddy gesi se am pipi aban hwe omo no emo no so omunya asa akasa no enkrofo no mo ka ye ene kire Ghana fo se am pipi fo ya akromfo mu wie sika no Sankrofo na so monko mo anu ntum enye Dr. Bawumia because Dr. Bawumia is a formidable candidate owodo owonimde owonyansa owahumobro na nipa dasani nim ni su ne ban so ni ti obi atem onye ne ho ye samasa enti se wusu bempa ewo bebi bi fufuro bi. So wusu bempa wa asem papa bi kan on kasa nkyere Kennedy Agyapong na oye contest ya onye free and fair contest a man and turn the party na nkoma emfa ma opposition obi a utimitra na dolin otinam ponse kan obi a utimitra ho ma o pastor eko contest common MP one timi amanya nkopon anka nkyere say man contest because obewe e man ko spend sika contest we abira wahu wona nyankopon ayi a kire ho ana MPP fo emfa no ko gina omo anim ni nyina ne se owusu bempa no ye obi a Kennedy Agyapong ama ne sika se asanteman mu onye den onyusu the spiritual realm na onfanye den encompensate asantefo se ono no Kennedy Agyapong no nyankopon pen se omra na omedi MPP anim mepese yentie Abronye video nsema o ka no the o kan bia no it is referred to owusu bempa yentie
ne yaka boma ye ne nanado esoso asofofo so no no kita sa tumi na kasa sorry ni nyina ko obegu no obeye na esi Rwanda no Kennedy Agyapong na num asem no eneyi Kennedy Agyapong na nam opese asofofo obehye nkom mo strategy MPP polling station for enei meeting a Kennedy Agyapong 2 weeks ago one asofofo shia ofie pna wafa ne say Ghana aye the Christian community na Christopher doso enti inse so obeboka wo MPP delegates ho no o moka wo MPP delegates ho na mo obeyusu psychology e dia pevote so free MPP delegates ho psychology obeyusu no se wa head afra asofofo binum yenim sa charismatic churches ye wo kromai ebinum di omo huni yenim omo na wo mo a ya bo omo pa omo koye sa adwuma ne yenim say one man churches no binum di omo huni te sa ne Roman father di ne huni yenim say one man churches no ebinum bu omo ho di nyame adwuma na omo di say ye ne say de nyame adwuma ne te say de presby moderator ye na adwuma Methodist bishop ye na juma, Anglican bishop ye na juma, apostle of Pentecost ye na juma. Sana one man church see individual ebinum so ye omaduma. Ebinum so efi se adwuma na ye no, ye ne say ye de nyado ekodwam, ase say ye de go apampa so a ye ton ntem. San krofo na omo ye ne say ye de nyado ekodwa so no, wo mo na honorable Kennedy Agyapong select wo mo. Yemfa sori nye business no na yemfa nyame dini nkata so say ye nyame adwuma no ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong afro mo ana o se Ghana ofra mo ana odi kana pa o ma che so na no bronsam ne be wura ne mu ana o attack o asofofo no nti o munya na o momwa no na se se kura no wafiri ase e kwa asori na oni Kristo
enti abuso tie ne yie pa Dinti amidi kambo wusu bempah video na oka sa asem no in hidden way no eni ntia we ntia me share na me boss video no chiro first said be obeti ase de ntia wusu bempah na okogina na sore mu a na wa sha ase ekeka nsem bi edene na nanam e sika na wa hu me ya gab me dem mo akwa papa. It has been a very long time. You're welcome back. Yento aso dinti Abronye
to fo be boyie na I say in a diabolic way no enye ni team no or power matchel wi a no wa bisa o mo say den na o mbetima ya ama no aye business nti no discard so mon nkwam say aba ye kwakoto enu eye me Kennedy Agyapong na mawe ni eye nkwam sha sika da table so ana ya fra sofofo ewo Kimpiski no babia honorable Kennedy Agyapong te no na ya fra omo moving pick anya Kimpiski moving pick babia honorable Kennedy Agyapong te moving pick ana odi asofofo na kwahye moving pick ho ana odi sika to table so sa mon nkom se be ya MPP delegates be hu se asofofo bi no ma sore se o mo pe Kennedy Agyapong asem MPP delegates sika tio na honorable Kennedy Agyapong omumu because ukojina MPP delegates yanima no waji 200 Ghana cedis the Ahmad MPP delegates no but when I suffer for numsia no you gave them 1 million Ghana cedis 1 million Ghana cedis so mon kwase nkom and mouth say abano na abawin just to make sure say and come say no ebenya some effect bi wo delegates ne so no maka so a Christopher asofofo binum asofofo binum yenim mo okroma yenim hawa Roma asofofo ye omadwuma meme ye presby nim said the presby before asofofo ye omadwuma minim hawa individual churches binum so bu omo ho na omo run church ne te se ne traditional church eye nyame adwuma wo ne kwan so se de esefata na wo mo mabam se omo de sika ntina omo baaye so omo nya Mary adaka kro omo beton awe so omo nya Joseph eye Yesu papa Wambasa ton Yesu na yi Joseph na one Mary nyina omudi Yesu ba ye omu wambasa ton sa atofofo no frɛ omo no ma bia nipa num 1 million but all besia polling station executives no omo 200 Ghana because Kennedy Agyapong ogidie say asofofo no beba abɛhyɛ nkom e de adane mo adwene enti womo no de ahia sika kɛse but wo damn people delegate na wo sara no pa Kennedy Agyapong babe kacho se kwato abama no wo de okacho se 5,000 Ghana kura nsem fatao 200 Ghana no de mao na ma wo si asofofo no se wo mo nsem kom ma no o ma bia 1 million kai me ka kire mo nan se asem bi siye sofu bia waba nan se okoko sia presidential aspirant bi okoya no moti asem okan otimi ka kire sa presidential aspirant ne say madika na hyenkom ama honorable Kennedy Agyapong a me yi adwuma ma no na Kennedy ma me $1.5 million entinu sa opese enkom hye no menya Kennedy achi na me hye bi maudia because me na manfo tiem wo Ghana ti osafo Safwa oko another presidential aspirant wo ye wo video ni bibia wo ho okotena presidential aspirant ni nchen Yesu Joseph Yesu papa carpenter adwuma no ye ya na owu hia mu enei Yesu din no aye yusuo no obi kokotena presidential aspirant bi anim aka kire ne say wadi kana hyenkom se Kennedy na ba wini na say sa aspirant ne pese on free Kennedy achidia Kennedy man $1.5 million enti say aspirant na one ne to odi nkomo no pese oba bonten ebeka say obati in the spiritual realms no unya te say in the spiritual realms no things are changing Kennedy no niveaus no dropo bafama na chese obi akwakotua enti okatre presidential aspirant no okochia ne say oh obetima ye na oni Kennedy Agyapong na nokora ne say Kennedy man no $1.5 million and this aspirant no kokosiana no man $1.5 million $3 million na on ma bonten or ba bonten a onim said obesia kanasem na eno no so no assistant delegates na adwene because no kasa amam 40 ye wo video no bibia efie wa wokotena ye eni nti wo sa asofo no se wo twamia me ka kire wo se yabama Ghana ahun video no yabama Ghana fo ahun video na ukotena presidential aspirant bi nchen na ukakire ne say honorable Kennedy Agyapong ma $1.5 million nti say sa aspirant no epesa oboa ne dia on fa 3 million ento table so ohwe wa no se 3 million no dollars no se sa scan da ho na se me wini primaries na etimi de me ye campaign 2028 nti ye da metama wo nko ama ukodi me was $3 million na MPP polling station executives me kwa chama omo se manya kura na omo mfa nto aduane ni na matam trim nti wan fa ma no nti se ne sa atofo na nam say presidential aspirant no ko demand $3 million free no wan fa skaramana no se sofo na bo hu say ontimi nsankom so ma Kennedy Agyapong bi because wo hu say odi hu akura video beba ebe pia bontene ba bi okoye e na se ye bisa no presidential primaries no ho asema ontimi nkasa bi na da obaba betena se in the spiritual realm no onyame yi kire me say honorable Kennedy Agyapong oh Jesus in the spiritual realm no onyame kasa kire me say ma hu say edom dinachi na edom no so ya ma make kasa ansem no wa ya ma make kasa ansem no e wo krom ha until video da ho so ya papra o video da ba bia o call ya o se Kennedy Agyapong ma $1.5 million and to be ma 3 million no 3 million do free wa na nipa ne free Abronye o se kwame ya wa asofofo no bi wo kuro ma se na mom en krankra bia aba krom ha no se ye di o mati a anhwe akwasiera kwa ye nkwa asore o free fie wa na nipa ne fa phone ka kire me se en krankra bia ba krom ha di nyamesom ye niema bi se di o mati a anhwe akwasiera kwa ye nkwa asore anti MPP delegates abana mo kwa akwato no mo ni prophet bi ati monfa prophecy nkwankwato aba me sana kai MPP delegates say ye to man mo ha ana sofofuo binum bia o ma no ka say including NDC 40 metua sika e ma sofofuo binum be ka say na nado dankwa akofo adode ya domin wo wiem adomin na busuafo se dankwa busuani bia ni ho betima ba be di president samokaya MPP delegates and nanumre me kai mo meti ha nanumre sa me kai mo MPP delegates yet to man mu ha and NDC e wa by mu 2010 to 2016 wo motimi masofo ba bonten e be ka say dan kwabusuani bia no ho betimi di president e wo man mu sanse wo mu nana bi dume wo mu enu ntira dan kwa ye ya want mama me leader ake cancer ansem we nana dodie ontimi me president da ebinum ka say nana dodie ye wo ne say o meye ochihene ana nana do so ompe ana so pe president na president die ye share in the spiritual realm no ontimi ni president oba be president e okroma MPP delegates me sana kai mo say mon fan kom se nto babi en kom se ya boni papa se onka because he cut the table so no mon fan to babi because yet o man mu ha and obi be ka se President John Dramani Mahama emoja aye ne nsam ontimi ni president biem ono ne de nyankopon abane se no nyankopon atware na su e wo wiase ha se President John Dramani Mahama president paadie ontimi mamedi ene wadi e time na mframa e boss President Mahama a research nyina e ba se MPP fo no buafu na omo mpie nkonkoto aba no ena nipa no ye nwa ena okosi sofu bi so ena sofu no de no ko President Mahama ho ena okobu nkotodwe e pa na tel se niema kan nyina no fa cheme na asama efiri nyame ho ye nokore na se oba beka ye fasu mase ekobu nkotodwe pa tel enu ntina
tabusion tie ni ya asama Abronye kan nyina ewusu bempah akwani ye criminal tio o ye criminal o pe 3 million o dia ye campaign dia ma Dr. Bawumia na bra chempon omo ne dam yento asma me ya afrim po ma akwaba mami akua afrim akwaba pa na Kennedy Wisdom ko so mu akwaba yento aso
ne NDC for mine no because NDC victory no no na hyenkom e ma ne ba so that is a fact because sani pana wo say ontimi ni president da na nyame atware na suo no nyame abane se no because adie bia no wa nyame aya enipa bi wa asase so obetima ka say obetima asesa no never say ya mpase nyankopon abane se President Mahama say ontimi ni ade a enipa bia ni wa otimi gina na so dam say me ma bin say ma bin chance of bia organa ha obetima asesa ne nyame aye enye nokore eti ni edi kan be ka say President Mahama nyankopon dome no otimi medi ade abiem na mogya aye nisam enye nokore na enye nkom se enye nokore enu nti na omufa akire ekopa ho achew na oba wini na badada nti nyawo na ade ne ba ye na wahunahuna omo say kurom ha bibibia ye mfa nhya wo nsa na di na me nti ese abufu aba yes na frase atreting omo in the spiritual realm no onyankopon be yi kire me say me hun say NDC wo ma ho den na wo mo de ba fam no esoti owura ahoden bia no wo de ba aban mu esoti eye yi o ahoden so ate in the sense say 2017 to 2025 electricity o matom nko ano Ghana fo ayedin na ehwe omo ahoden beba fam in the sense say another dia menem wo kasa nu omo tua PTA dues Ghana for ma and cry over 600,000. Our more secondary school no ye do almost 700,000 700 Ghana till 500 PTA ye do ma division fee wo ma me no ko textbooks wo ma me no ko uniform entino aban bia we nia Ghana ya follow ade na che no first year no wo good way yes second year ma good way no nyadan ani ho biem entino NDC ahoden ne de adikana bafam report wa abasa okan imani Ghana wo mayina wo de aba edesa akoya okirade wo NDC Institute of Ideological Studies Musa dankwase munima okirade wo NDC Institute of Ideological Studies oye lecturer visiting lecturer adima NDC enti dabia ne research no obeya de be favor ne party NDC because obi a ochirade wo NDC Institute of Ideological Studies na otreni NDC for no on how to do research or that NDC pay Rosso as a visiting lecturer no or your research ba bontia or one ebe favor no ebe favor NDC but on kokofa imani Ghana you know the buy na a man for electricity hunsem a ekuomo President Mahama 1 year galamse so obe fight ya ne galamse aginsa mu petro bua atrega ewo manu mu no enti ababa ntimo obi nyina ba bi say in the spiritual realm no onyame yi kire me say ahoden na omo de baaye no owi e no de atoa so emira bi me ka say moko fa vice bi ba ontimi ni president no na me ka ye no mo sande ne ba obawe manaboro so owura me o frame wo fie gina wo puppet ne so gina so na din si say wo frame 2023 and MPP presidential primaries no wo reason nyina ne say ade ankramofo de ba ye wo wasori dan mu say wakokan chief imam asem wo say ankramofo aba wasori dan mu say because of say what and come say chief imam bewu in 2 weeks time anyankopon nyinkire wo enti nkramofo abasa mba bebo enti saade no mba ye no wo mfa nche wo moda na wo makramoni bia medi president enti wo da won support to kramo that is what you told me awo fie ho anam say enya ba umia ana ka say ye mra wo fie ho na se wo de wo control support ama lantremantin na ne wo ba ye bia lambe we ne no alanko ye yanhu why the same as sorry them one would the honorable Kennedy Agyapong bedina ho e ka say abane de wa fawie na card ye ba ko be yaman next week na chese wa ba be presidential candidate sa de kro na wo fine and this for was our videos ni nyina e wo mo platform so ento mo boss onima me and this platform so me was you have no idea ento mo fast voice no Ujina sorry damu ebra ye special vote na honorable Kennedy Agyapong ba wa sorry damu now ka so wa fawie ama sorry my body osu say wo be complete bibibia in 1 week time na bana ye beto no on na ba we ne no ekokosi say sa videos no nyina wo ho a edi wati na nditi fo so bo e wo mo platform so enti no huna mo a no ma bo bi so mo ho say ada na we dia wo kan ye amam na wo ka kire ye say wo na ade president Mahama bai enti MPP delegates mo bin transing kasa okokasa tia chief imam nankramofo aba be pena bununti enu ntinu me hye nkom dia ma obi se obi na medi pra na mo ba be hweso obi ani kroma se yetimi tenase mo obi gina na sori dam eka se ma binche nsofu bia wo Ghana ha ei sa asofu fo nate ne enim course wa eba ye so sa wo mo nkasa Yesu Kristo ani Nyankopɔn ba kronkron na ye nyina ye som no no ebra bronsam kɔsɔ no hwɛɛ no asɛm o kan sɛ nya enu nti ɛna agya ne soma me agya na soma me sɛ me mmra asase so na me no wo emekɔ competition na mom ɔsoma me sɛ me mesakra ne madwene a waba bɛka wo mo ho obetima sɛ wo madwene na ma ben de nka onka sɛ onyankopɔn din mu me ma ben no wantima nkasa o wɔse ma ben kyɛn sɔfo bia Ghana wa ben kyɛn Roman sɔfo wa ben kyɛn presby moderator eniema a wo mo ye no wo mo mfa TV nto so o and sentrania Roman sɔfo ye edi gye nkrɔfo nkwa presby moderator Methodist bishops Anglican apostles Pentecost all the churches no say but TV so aka mo na mutimi yes aniema na ka mo beka say anhwa agyenkwa no ene mo ankasa no beka say agyenkwa no ene mo ankasa enti MPP delegates antenase mo obi nkonko giska ma meka say mo sane de baomia ba mo besa na we ye yate abro mo sande na nado danko akofo ado ba mo ba wi mo ma power da na nado obedi president okọ San Framana na ebo change na total change na ebo 2016 enyo obi ana betena kroma se wa benche nsofo bia na na ye hu adwuma enye nokore na eba ne sen na yeti oman mu na nipa ba akotimi kase enipa 35 million no onu kitaye ye safoa onu na chimchim yadwene onu na ye aduro am ye koto abama party A ai babia Ghana during say yetimi nya obi ama ne gina ne pulpit so kase enipa 35 million no me wo mo safoa e duru abato a me di wura o masuma ne machim na o makase me kase party we na eba me na me control madwen sa party ni na baba nya nokore na ne di kan sa asem no e yatam didie kire se opeso kire se Ghana fo a ye yaso abato no yenim nyansa enhu ba bi eto ya abakọ asofofo a wo mu woma wo mu nanim ne ekono ono na control mo Ghana asofofo ono na control mo because ono na ben wa ben chen sofo bia nti ono na control mo e kire ba bi asofofo nto o ma banko aba omo se o Abronye so wa ben chen obia ye wo kroma nti wo da o menko omo so wo da jame no menko se Yesu Kristo antima mie na no anyina ba bi ankasa wa ben na so obitimi tena kroma se wa ben chen obia omo se o Abronye munya no menko na wo kase mutimi mo Sunday ampi sa nipa ne ba biema mo besa na wi o wi no de ato aso se ai mu medi matemo mu di matema ma sore mane na gina ho no me de me medi matem because ono no de fi se ne hote na mom Yesu Kristo ba asase so a obetiti asuafo so mo nko ka nyamesem no ene de obi atiti asuafo mu di atemma no Yesu ano ba asase so ano opasuafo a won be kwa kanya mesem no obi de ne se me de matete asuafo ne binum se wow me ka asem no obi be yi ano a ana udi matem obi amedi watem na mo ye be yi wano ya wo kwan so ama ahyesew ukuro be bre se ugina wasori da mo kan ye wo pawia responsible ba wo taking say wo ya wo ka asem no wo taking say ye insult I made and move a didi matem dia me ma sofufu ni no do ma kire no ma yire no ma bomu nsam e ye omo fese sofu panyini do ma kire se omo na watire no omo so omo nkoji atem e ye oye omo fe na asor ma na bonsamu Yesu Kristo antete o enkrofo se wo mu enko rant nko didi nkrofo atemu na mom onyasuafo a oso omunko ba bia nko kanyamesem empa adwensakra no meye nyame adwuma eno ne yanim eno nso no mo kireye ɛno na me ye no praise be gusu kyerɛ san kyerɛ no na praise be gusu kyerɛ me wagidie sɛ individual churches binuma ɔmo se ye the Bible ni nyame adwuma na bɛyɛ na nyame wo sra bɛka ye ho a ye de aboate manfo no saa na ɔmo kyerɛ te ɛde sɛ wo a wayɛ wo ho sɛ wo de asɔre no bɛyɛ business enti nkom sɛ maayɛ kora wo bɛhyɛ nkom
ɛne nsɛm a wusu bɛmpa ɛdane ne boɛ na ɛkyerɛ sɛ wahyɛ ase sɛ ɔyɛ ho adwuma because sika no deɛ wagye awie sika no deɛ wagye awie nti ɛwɔ so nyɛ n'adwuma sɛ wanyɛ n'adwuma a yɛbɛtaataa ne sɛ ɔmfa sika no mmara nti na so ayɛ hye na Abronye ka asɛm bia na onya nte ya asɛm wei ɛna wusu bɛmpa ɛkɔgyina n'asɔre mu kaayɛ ɛka edite yɛwura ba omiatie
NPP for Musumuntie Mode.
NPP, listen to your prophetic word.
NPP. Mistake amoye ni brebi atwamu.
You see the mistake.
Musa headed towards the same mistake. Ma hwe amonso so mo betre opposition. Sa na mo da so te wo.
Now the mistake you did some time ago, you are still committing the same mistake. And if you are not careful, you remain in opposition.
Semunim na mo kofa ni a enya nyame choice na mo force di ni enya nyame choice ba mo besan hwe awie no kwa de becha kane no.
If you decide to choose a leader who is not God's choice,
sɛ wotie ne yɛ according to wusu bɛmpa no MPP ne nipa bi wo ma ɔpɛ primaries na abegyina anwe ne primaries na ɔnyɛ nyankopɔn choice. Into one case, 1, 2, 3 prasha. You will see whom he's talking about. Nina ne say, Wajisika, Sikana Wajeno, was on your Wajuma. And to that is, a mamma fan same way, and Yajina so dear and Koto Abba on the 31st January. The obedient or Casa answer, no Koto Abba, at the Mount delegate ya, Ukoto Abba ma flag bear or no, to the Amawa. Nessa, Wakwa in a Juma at the Amano, sending Sa, a Bekani Sika. And obi to me this sika na nsa aka no e wa asodwem we ni owusu bempa wie ye minwia 30 mo akwa aba patient dance mo akwa aba na minwia Ivan Sankama Kofi osu mo akwa aba pa we ni adwuma owusu bempa ye onhu hwe wo wiem oboa onhu hwe eye sika nti a oka de oka ni nyina oye nkontompo ni so me na wa hya ase from the beginning. Ahu kwan otimi kata na ni din tro kan sam te se de sabio che se ha te se otimi ye na nimpa te se de o kan sam a ye no kore so na oboa oda osumanya Ghana oyakopa kan che se obi nsa ye moja but the era osam be ye prophecy wo nipa no so obehwene ene de abeto abon te se wakoji sika ena ogina ho ena o ye campaign indirectly enipa nyankopon kan asama kire na Oka na odeye sabi na ode ne ho siesie we de pode nka me hu bi da kora abusu yamfa wusu bempansi ha wo fra mesre wa me bebe phone da na to bet pese me nya kwa bi ho adwuma pese me nya nipa me no bi ho adwuma nti wo fra na wa maintain on the issue aye ka ho asem yenko yanim
John Mahama Baso President John
Mahama wahu Akwawe, na minimum say chimney for to the highest level, sada. Nana Jantua, I swear to my God, said the minimum saw a quasiam penny Jimmy sada. Hey, no be also a university in the word Jimmy sa. We also a university, and so nyansa, ye feni nyansa. Akwawe ni ti ebi nim no ane so oba begina ho na ya prepare ade ama na okan no ye no to se nim in the fubi or you crossing it to the highest level the person won't tell some akwawe ye kan with video ti asama akwawe ye kan
Mahama Baso in the spirit of Russia and Ukraine and now no pay me person me bo yewra John Mahama Baso because minti say the communicators are now so on one kasa akase problem way Russian and Ukraine Minti say NDC communicators for na kase Russian and Ukraine inti. I'm petrol cough stroke kakra. But minti say mo kase Russian and Ukraine. For 9 months, minti say Yera John Mahama say Russia and Ukraine tinu ntiminye bibi.
Oh, akwawe tiemi yepa. Minim so onimu nyansan. Se wa shedo. Se ye meet ye kan say. Se wa sheda na o kasa sao. Se na dwene da ne tim ene de o kan so me dwene ho amente ase. Asam na akwawe ye kan me amete me padwene ntimi nya adwuma bi. Adwene kiki. Anya adwuma bi. Adwene ntimi enye den mechanize enko na nimu biem because akwawe microphones in anima nensem oka it goes into the ears of about 30 point something million people in the country because of year juma with Nhyira FM. Nhyira FM is very very powerful in Ghana. Na utimu se saa kwasi ampanyi we timi kogina microphone anim e make comment bi ti say obo Mahama baso die ntia o si until say Mahama e complain about Russia Ukraine war. Now the question that I'm asking is say then to Jimmy Forcer Russia Ukraine war e shall say 2019 and in 2022 2023 and who effect no a shout down everything by 2024 na aman ewiasia mansan nyina obia economy ahase epeke Jimmy brana na do fra konwa so na Ghana effect of the COVID no na ye free ma ye build Jimmy dollar no na do fra konwa so na enough 17 o na da 14 point something why Jimmy na anu muntala ansana oba bewu okogina abontene ewo the UN security hwan e kan say COVID any Russia Ukraine war had destroyed the economy of Ghana. Mahama nso aka but wo Jimmy ni kakra yatua ma wonti utimi kotan radio anim kese obo Mahama abaso adentia communicators ne nkesa aho kira ba because of Russia Ukraine war. Nana jantwe woni munyansa na ma menka bibi ntu timi mosora mosimu ye big man monye hwe Ghana na efo ena monya yenka ne se fame ewo manum ena mudi nsemfon die ntie ne obi ntumi ngina baabi nkese Russia Ukraine war anase COVID ne se ena me no nkase ntokwa ekoso Russia and Ukraine tamo but there is negotiation Russia for timi ton mo niam de ma Europe gas no omugusu ton de ma Europe for tua Russia for ka na no na Trump complain say ye pese yen stop war na agi say Europe for jai adwadi omone Russia for na di enti the materials ne product na e free Russia ba no ene Ukraine ba no egusu ba system no Jimmy we ye kwasi ampanyi ni pa second COVID no atwam nanado ena sabio ne hona ma edene eni ntia ebeto no na ebeto no wantena ho amfa ne nsan hyehyɛ ne bottom in fact nanado shasi see hospitals 111 under the effect of COVID but ene globally opiani who complaining about Ukraine and COVID ntokwa COVID yade because the economies are bouncing back Jimmy now say where Jimmy sir now the enkoso ni ntie nsem obeka kan wo de tie
hey sa ene na MPP foi na mo ye den Because mo twa mfoni me ehu se bibia ye Russia and Ukraine. Enti ye den na once makacho se Russia and Ukraine tokwa ninja ayo. Putin gusu kunipa o. Nanso menti se NDC aban ne president e ka se Russia and Ukraine inti yentimi nya big push. Russia and Ukraine inti yentimi nyi E11 free ho. Russia and Ukraine inti yentimi nyi betting tax.
Oh, Jimmy. Nana Jantua, I was so you work at a particular radio station. And you're very, very, very wide. The frequency is very wide and big range. And Nana Jantua, for the sake of and can say reputation, and some better radio so I am kwasia places we no. Gene anaya research kakra. Russia for Montokwane Kosu. Before now, Russia for Montokwane Shasi at the beginning, no. America for the whole Western world. Sunshine. Russia. So money Russia for need BM. Enti niema ne free Russia ne Ukraine ba Westerner. Yes, we bino. Na e mabiem. Enti kakra na wo ho no. Na ne boa ye dene. But ntokwane nkoso, but still there is business between the outside world with the Russia and Ukraine. That is what you don't know because you are a fool. You don't do research. You are a fool and you don't do research because now no Putin ankas was from Putin. Trump ankasa can say Western world no America any Europe Germany ni dia ni mu omu gusu ni Russia for ye business and near free Russia ba enti o senka wu se ntokwa na ekoso de but niema bi ye twitwa mu niema bi ya ma ho kwan ma Russia for ne other word anye bra ntokwa ne sha ase no saa niema no se yate ase a omo ye enti it is normal na ye me ya se wa jimi na unimu nyansa na o prefer say ye beto 1 cedi on every liter of petrol na wonti ase say ye bejo 1% on every 100 Ghana be sende no every day. Utemi yepa ayeme wonwa se obi a wuti radio kakra kese yanim utimba abontimba make this or transisa inyansa ne mfaso bi anim na menim sesa wagimi wo timu sa yento ado
Russia and Ukraine ti just IMF Russia and Ukraine ti just ye haircut biem mente ye Chinese MPP for pa mo betena so mo ye den bibusa dia
ye be ye wuni ene wo se ene wasifo nyina and this ya ban eye lucky omo baaye na do de wedie mu edene age haircut agu ni wediem and this for baaye na the debt restructuring no na do de wedie den age agu ni wediem enti and this for edi na do ni sacrifices esom faso eni nti a wonti se omo kompreni no akwasa wajimisa eni nti a wonti se NDC for ka Russia Ukraine war ni COVID asem no because omo baaye no na do de ne wedi age bomb ni nyina agu ni wediem enti mahama ababeto ofa japade ena odi so de ofa japade
pa na mutimi ye
yo ma me no se
because from
ye hwenkura mako 4.4 million school ye railway lines ekati across from Taptema to Mpakada ayene trains ne ye adwuma Jimmy aka akwanya hodo Kumasi man na utimu no ene na do adaworo manti ye wo airport international airport wo Jimmy Nyankopon boawo na unya visa so beba Europe a obetumi atu afiri Kumasi dia na menka nchire obiem Dear na men kanchero Jimmy ene. MPP abana wudi na tem into identity as a Ghanaian. Nkanu na mo nka ye dwan. Obi hia wo nimba bia wo firi. Ai. MPP adaworo mene nkrofo omo yare moja mu yade dialysis. Omunya ni free e wo kwarebu. Enu bie na nanado ye. Nanado ba na obeton taade ma nkura so omunsua school. Obonko school free. Ode munya diani dia na nkwasi akeka nkwa.
Russia-Ukraine war no, from COVID-19. And I'm the bad Russia-Ukraine. COVID-19 ni twa mu dada no, na mu da so ye mu de excuse. COVID-19 no. Any Russia-Ukraine, aban we mfa nye excuse. E maba be haye pa wo krom ha wo.
Wow.
MPP foi. Maba be haye wo krom ha pa wo. Ni excuse bi tantan bi amode maaye de maba be haye pa wo honestly.
I said na MPP aban no sisa Ghana sika mra wo se gidi na jantoa. Ye wo dwuma na gi wo pay. Ye mra bo. Ye mfo man ni sika me hye wo nsem so ye journalist. Enu mbom na e ha wo. Na enyesen MPP aban anya dwuma.
Russia and Ukraine minti ye. Enso ntokwa no gusu ukoso. Nyame na ya adum e na mu free so.
Okay.
Because honestly nkama en free so a kenye.
Obetopotro.
Nyame na ya adum e na MPP Ghana for tutiamo. Kenye. If you say I'm very sure say nkama gusu aka say Russia and Ukraine. Enti na mu ntimi nye bibia. Anka E11 mu begusu asa age ne e kwa IMF. Anka betting tax mu begusu age ne e kwa IMF. Rajon Mahama nyame Israel. Uwa wonanso with galamsey and security.
Entity according to Sir Papa we otihoyi. E-levy any betting tax and no na hana na what obo E-levy ni betting tax na hana. But D-levy di otua. D-levy a man near my boy yet then automatically in the system no tia. D-levy 1 Ghana cedi per every liter of petrol. No tia. Sika eye gambling wakoto chacha na wadi na abanye tibi akwa we so nte ase. But eneme mi wo misika egu bank wo Ghana maimu na ye foreign currency a mi kwa akoyi a NDC aban ebeteme 5%. Kwasi ampanyi we say na ye kama. Nwi akofi apia me akwa ba mami Elizabeth Chan me akwa ba pa. Kwasi ampanyi we ese na ye kama electricity yatum 4 times in just 9 months. And only a kama. But important is here you live any betting tax here free. Now listen to the worst part. As some of the kind of there. One who could have to accommodate.
Nanso se ekase obi abu oman ye a oka ho. Galamsey na me ne wo problem. Ena o security. IGP no onya de. IGP we ya we no onya de or a disappointment. IGP current IGP we the damn parade to hono ontimi miti even quarter. This particular IGP or a disappointment. The way I handle security ne nkoye. Sa nyoma we mienu ide president. Hwe ho ne ye hu bibi especially even security IGP. Okwa retirement a men renew ne lances mano mane ntoa so per somebody or tese dampare because I dampare no any problems there but me who say IGP way there the way I nanko fosi budget so na nam say IGP won't me nya hwe because ne microphone be control no I a fine gentleman or a fine gentleman, but IGP no so chain. Honestly.
Enti abusuanfo munti akwa we analysis yo. Naturally say no. Security issue. Security services issues so na. Aban we ba ya agi agum no. Ono to him no enye important. The yen important is say you live NGBM. betting tax yenje. Now on mind be muna economic development. Etimi kona nim abra security services ajiagum. Onsa ko onimu nyansa. We onimu nyansa. Brofu na wasua. Pan ya faso jina microphone nim kasa na wasua. Na Jimmy pa ya fe ni Jimmy se otimi tra microphone achi. E congratulate wa ban because we you one CD ni 2 CDB afri. E gambre so. Na o security issues so ajiagum na o bona baso se wa ya ade. A bomb pie said I'm Robertson or Monting Goose one day be a ufri Joma Kofi. Now the Australian answer says, or mine ebekon and nim assume Gabama a jina set or my bekon and nima a jina security, the tightness of security. Yanis all cobor body, my boy, Nanto Kaho, Boko, Nanto, Babio could be a man for a ye kunkuma man for. And you are praising this government. This useless job that I get the money Mahama. Yet be a mountain. Messi we are say Ghana. Nami brebi can Ghana problem ayo. Journalist. Galam say any asofo for. Ye yim kwasi afo we nyina gyina ba bia o man ne be konani. O man ne be konani. Yem to aso na yem ko another one. Jimmy pa. Na we dey me boni video na be phone lines na to muntie.
Michelle, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, you are John Dramani Kwame Mahama, Sabi Biu, Wakeke Waye, Oba, Michelle. Papa Wadauma, Umsu Wabeka, Sir Unkubu, Papa, Omani Sufro Biu, Papa, Omani Yawa, Papa, Omani Sufro Bill, Yesu say me intimate. Papa, the way owusu money, yes, so. Namia dom, when a 2/3 of Parliament. Papa, Constitution at the house ye bay or ye bay review, and I say by amendment. Papa, you first have konya weso. Papa, Nina amendment, that's how to so another 4 years be my. Papa, said you see more money, oh, you come out to soon, you know. Yes, so. The owusu work as on could be mudia. Papa, but who is state man? O mining in a dagin so, o money can go here. Shall not win. You submit ya mukoyi. Papa, trust me, I do go to one more. I have restriction, visa restriction, and not a friends. America for their talk Ghana. Papa, 1 more 70, over year for. Papa, that my slow. Yes, slow. Papa, yes, so 1 year amendment. Papa, let's go another 4 years, my. Let's so my no cry audience, and I won't could be my, who's I won't could be. Papa, yes, slow. Papa, a cross waka and so me. Papa, yes, so sabre be my wife. Papa, sabre be my Omani here. Papa, money here. Papa, yes, I never can. O man will be a bay demonstration. O be a debate demonstration, a demonstration here, you know. Yeah, never be a say, here will take them. Papa, you can't take them, so what take them? You say Ghana, I won't drop about, I should drop about, or money by ye. Papa, minimum so what you to. Pia.
Abuja formati akwa so na asem. Mati asem akwa we so ka. O se ma jo ma nko time o. Ma bi fo last na tom. Oba na so wakasa na wa kire wa dwen. Abamfo yare o. Amamfo yare papa. Yama jo mahama nko time. Yama jo mahama nko time. Akwa we na nim. We yesi na oyare bi yade bi wone so ena yewura mahama bra no wo opposition John Dariga Dramani Mahama bra no wo opposition ena o man so ho a ena odren koba bi ko sa na yade since them akwa we aba da na Mahama kasama afo but mentiasi die ntia nkrofo binom de personal issues personal interest I'm turning it to be a national issue. Wona Mahama ye bi ama wo personally and a John Dariga ye bi ama wo oman ne nhihye ne oman ne nkoso no papa no oye kon wada onim de ekọ enti emfa wo ho mba ema amamfo metwa mmọ ema amamfo meka de bi a omimpeso be ka kire wo ma obi me Just I didn't tell Montrasina Momo Brana Munyai Mom de Mohobe France, never transing a child bomb. Wouldn't we obia a month for Pewasem. And because I say, we overcome, is this a time for Bebum because Jimina Dokoromo. You don't know your personal interest and that one of the national issue. And Kwasiake can kwa Musana Mudinamu. Master Anthony Memakwaba.
Hello?
A poem to say.
Hello, Mr. Man for a poem to say.
Pastor Mihoya Pan answer.
I wish your phone you know how to say.
Opia Hoya.
I have been yasi, so I'm at the fat chain.
Amen.
Now I need to also or the chair, no what you mean now, or the other can be a chair.
Yeah.
Cheer phone you know, a woman yambre, 8 year war. And it will be beer. The missing a minute say. You can have a man quite what they woman.
Amen.
Mama will answer. Mama quite ten. Not the old be so Yakuponye Emma.
Amen.
The maker said, Message in Munina. Na Massam TTT and a mechanic.
Yeah, too.
It's a marvel. Problem Ghana, a war, and it's a near research. Your problem I could tell you, I don't know, a near research. It's a marvel. What can I eat it? Actually, and some mechanic me bois, catch him say, Nebra, it was, and small working in a tone of water. First, not Ghana. What the Ghana driving license back home her. Then somehow Italy, dear. Maybe
Aye.
I day and I eat omutremu.
But you will be some and answer Oka.
May catch one of me besides I then omutremu. And I'm a bitch. The old one say, I'm almost short to Nipa and conform the Brekuta Sumeria Pipa, dear Juma. And now, only as a sanitary dear. Patron for a member for so many Nipa, sanitary the amount for a dear amount of sanitary almost into a gun and the answer. Nakwaji Ghana dear. Maybe I want to say,
Mekaipa.
and you amount for what be Ghana dear no. As a son, Sumeria, the Koya Ghana dear no. I want almost there. O fear I don't afraid if you need Ghana driving license Abreno. Now 1 month. O cause it's o documents the bar so you Ghana ni won't call Ghana but me back on Bosom yes. I don't know what you mean Ghana driving license. And to we should know who is a sanitary dear that is a conform kind of correct. I know much more. Sister Tanta, I know the my first documents no ma o kwalabe sis. 80 crowd okoye class in the triaka meboa.
Yeah.
Now, Obi also the 25 years. What the 25 years you? Oh, Mansia. A crab so an afar so. Woo and Qualencia. How crowd in fear say, I saw a wound Qualencia. And I won't Qualenum. And a honorable fool who say, you can and a honor so much and some you know my camera.
Oh, some put me too. Oh, so you are talking a nice story for me. I'm a cancer, but you are making a very minimum baby me too, pa.
And the second a year because I'm the say, Kennedy Agyapong. What yet MPP for a far who dear swat check. One first Sumasi, I never be brave yet. Anna Abronye, higher research. And one who, and what catch say Kennedy, and Yama Oye, Winnie, no, you're not watching Chilimun actually. And so Kennedy, Yaman Oye. Say you on Kwan and no yenti, Abronye smoke a and this Abronye on your tie. And also me boy.
When you are down 4 years.
General Secretary, a small kai, above for pay, above upon a small kai. Abronye small kai, me see Abronye meeting program, we chill the area, let me tell you say, Kabia. Now Makuti Abronye, me tell Abronye topic, we said, we tell who the enemy first, we will be answer. Metia obidia makotie. Enti Abronye asmo kan no. Wan ka semboni bia o. Abronye asmo kan ni se tape no hono se mutia anka. Enso se wo se Abronye se General Secretary, so Obeka in Yansa Bienim. So now we can't. Okay, that was what can I'm penny for BBC will fear Yansa, you will school Yansa. So you will fear a fear Yansa, and you will school Yansa. Obeti said Dr. Baumia, or will school Yansa, or will fear Yansa, and here na brabonnes walking in her. And the judge was what kind of you want to go. Man, down crab, he said Yansa Bienim, when you fear Yansa, Obi how a Coba City. About degree beyond no Nimian Sabako cra. Yet, Papa, and an animal be honor, no man go school. Roma, sorry, Presby Materis, Obi Uncle School, so what me, sorry.
Yeah, baby.
Mebua catches and Johanna, so as and Johanna about the Jimmy a new forfa. So, Ghana Kuna woman of Akoleo Becca, I want a full patcha and any Jimmy Obeka, and only say, Your mama, power, and it's more kind of a woman. On one person, and this is for party no on your mama, no, the party, penny for crabby, a judge your mama. Now, what crack it to one now say, oh, your concert is in a phone, or we have Nancy Bienimono, who bet now radio soon have a catch and say, and I your mama met to us and I remember we put in 9 months, I got 10 months of school for Nana to buy and not acquire Mutria. No money free. Now we tell why you are full picture say above pay. Now the catcher say, John Mama met to us, or about to win new translation.
Hello.
My boy and some man.
Hello. You're more than some man because Mahama Sunny idea. You understand, mine.
So this Mama some area and your man Nanado Bay and Nanado said the Asenka doctor or you be blessed and ya. Now be say, I don't want my papa bet to that's how you never trust another 4 years. Unia Cosco and also Osha Colabia, which one was 7 hours Sikaye, and out 1 hour didn't quite 7 hours. Oh, yeah. I don't know about 12 new chances. I was saying, I'm a man for you, Pacific attempts, never see you at the bush one way. Abrabo and Waba will be never take a son question what you deeper. Uncle for Brebe or Ghana will be a piano club with the crown walk ahead, Yamano. If I'm on 20, and yes, it's called ya. General Secretary and some fool would you know, and some would you know, and come up. If you say what to me, Abronye, the amount war year or the war party, no, Abronye will need to be Kennedy Agyapong where you're high. Kennedy Agyapong, Yama, why ye? And then some woman, and some 4 temple for Nanado. President Kufumu like Kennedy Agyapong did your matter. President Kufumu, a man for a nipa buno, a brofu buno. I am for near a nipa to table. Kennedy Agyapong, you know, when he did another attempt. Kennedy Agyapong, I don't know. Now, but now say, could you have Naka and say, you are born Yakaset Kennedy Agyapong. Who is Kennedy Agyapong? Berlusconi, Crana, Itil, Hano, always Canana, or your phone, Yangelina, and consider we could prison. Remember, I remember what I on a credit in a year. Kaukoyan, so Canada asked manager to back and say, or no, any Cadema, where Bonnie, I went to Minka. Canada Platinum, did you what did you party? No, I want to make Knock as a party for you, and the MP for Nyan Quasia for. I had me for a year so the Atoso. I didn't say no could be how when he said, will be a water. The Aswama Afeno. No, but now to send a cacao cake as much Abronye, office Abronye, or you know, back Abronye, a bempah, Abronye. Last week, the can say, Abronye, a bempah, man, Abronye, what time for be party. Abronye, I did Abronye. Many partner your bonnet, it was Sumasi, what we have a car. Why bonnet? Ras, Abronye, bonnet, bear pan, why? But send Ben Waka.
I support him 100%. Or some concanica simple.
And now Sophia Abronye or Moka was some, you can't say, Sophia and such a teacher castle, but I didn't know to me Abronye. Sophia, my Abronye. I just say, I never know be a wire papa because I research into me. Kennedy Agyapong, the Kennedy Agyapong, the Yena, the way Yena. After we do Dr. Baumia, the Dinano. Just describe what you can be.
So, on the example of a man who said a sin him and into your head.
So, just say, To say what you want and Yansa said Yansa be and Matina Casa, justice could be our lawyer.
Yeah.
Abronye is a lawyer, and no Cotuno, and I'm a baby, just say, and I'm Cassia will feel your son, you will school Yansa, as I'm sleeping on Guano, do not could pesca near personal. And why else might be my book degree by SBI Move. And he just come your name and some fool would you also to buy. And I feel some trouble in Tiano. Or trouble in Tiano, I'm a friend for a general secretary. Michelle will be a Michelle sister. Mekwa mo bi aba. Asem tietie na pese be kachiro.
Medase.
Asideni Mr. Das.
Ye bra Anthony na ye te ne nka no. Ai bra we oye leather businessman pa or there in leather quality leather from Italy to Ghana. Enti ko kantamanto. Na okọ se wo hwehwe Tony May Enterprise obenya leather bia obeye den. Or so by a diamond paboa, sorry, diamond konya and paboa belt, any kamun konya biano, Okotoni May Enterprise or Cantamantua, Obenyabi, now what the Iowa Juma. Hento asona yemfa course, ye be a phone course natum. Hello.
Hello. Yes, Papa.
Mammy and Moakwa.
Yeah, not today.
Pacho Epa, now also.
Namia Dumo. Paucho, Michia Ubia.
Piaggio.
All the can a papa owusu bempah. Damenya. Abronye beka ma oba aboanu. Ono no time na ne da wa hya ase wodere ye no.
Yeah.
Osan den sem bi wo Abronye beka. Na la ka na la po ye bi ya wa. Osan do ka den. Wa man letter bi mpo den che won fa nko no won yi na edi fi party no. Dem bi oye onye.
Yes.
Mna ona la kodue yi wa atena do. Nti ore ka no ka den. Wentu man ka den ma asem na
Abronye ka.
Abronye ka no mboa. Na mbomo nyi danche obeka wa aboa no. Ehwa adam na wotena no woye.
Dabi.
Wo wa abranti aba na watu aba mo de das iku na no. Na yeda oye maku. Na so wo rentumi ntena neutral na ba ye damada. Na yaw bebrebe ye okọ do hwale statan sama waka. Obiara on yirti aba omiane kal mu no rekọ campaign. Papa no sabi obafa. Ono wante. Sama akese awaka. Ken na lampo ka de MPP fo ye nkwase sabi won na wo ye nkwase afo ono te. Na do opanyi mo ate dam hwemesi maka ne tena wo no ya na ade na anu na nanyi mo de ya. Wo national TV do wo hwi. Na me da me nyina la kan yo to we wa ate also yo party mu panyi. Panyi ni. Oya panyi no ansa na se ahamba mo wa makwan ma mo fra na nka mo fra na panyi nyina wori ya ni. No ne panyi do wo party no don hwenyi. Second knowledge no so one wale pay for the tum that can the founding members or you pay no party no na nda mo ye won tum ntwe na esi da no ye nyugase won hwan zaman se nkrofo atu egum oba ne dross ke so yiti da mo yiti da no nyina mo hwe mo di party na nyima se na ma so abeka cha de o ye panyin no party no na da mo panyin for party no se bibi no mo di mu owusu bempah so no so ore hyenkom na ne nkom na ore hye ne nyina ran sa na otom Osando oshowum oshomorukwo we hu that John Mama be musuma akrope ontumi ntu eduma yefuka school fu orusu gomu fu orusu hwande de anyimfrafo a wo kirade worusu ono na wahwe won de me wo musuma akrope na ndamarukoye na no papa wori boni dinta aban wori mbebio ono na ori begina do na ode ahyenkom na wa ka kira yen de ono la ne nkomhye yi bi ina okohye chief imam nkom a nkremofu wo be ni fie wanye no bokwan a onu nto odi nkremofu atu na adwim na me hu sofa a onyi bon fe freedom obi no so ade ka hye nkom ba wo mia na oka che ode kwa na ka hye papa ne nkom wana na ka hye awo nkom na moyo mwanwade aja nyame yi a kiro ma aka nsa to na ntwikwa ayi e papa ni fie ka pa chew wa bra nyame so oka wa aka o sha obem oka wa aka nti se wala je won de do ya mpada nyame na oso ade ka asam na enti wa ye den ye na tu anamo me na ntwika wo ma mokọ na kapacho aka peche where we are still born no papa ndo fast am ncho enwu ne there obiara onye na esani biara obefi ne ncha na obeka bibiara onfa nche ikura nam do onya ho pajama sabi obeyi efi wiade mponya wa nche efi wiade mana akoma ato onu no ho adwuma na ore ye na ode taba o mene na ore ye se what kan wa atua wo ka be abon mpa ya ode me na akira na abon mpa na na yi mpo nkwa abura no na nka kanche na expressing there kan wa ma odam nti nipa na ndobro ma wo engu kan enyim ase se nipa na afro no we wa ma osika da ya ade ma na akwa ya ata akwa nyim da ikọ fi ona kaka na obi bate egu kan enyim ase papa usu bempa ya sofo na ma wa no nda wo bi po won cha no onye ba ka asema mo nka wo I ma aye kan enyim ba ji wasa wa bebi o sa ma enyim egu ase
yes
ya papa penyin ya sofo nso wade ya ndo ba no obeka yo obi ama obeka bia yo na se ma aba no ma abo mo ska da ya adema na se etum kwa menya nkokwo so kaka chende emi ma ebotu adama mo ntu no so ntu adobra na ya papa amaken ken ala so hwe onala na otena Ghana na oka chende Christianity no ore say your man oya da man that wa so no dia so fu echi ore po won chewe oye nyutum na wonjai ibiara na ekọ mama so ne nsa nwongo no nsa nwongo ja wot dam we kunyipa osun eyinfu ndaka anan no so tuka sai pa na ekọ na kapacho wasi ka fa so foforo na ekọ na ekobu mama ntwa na ekapacho na gina wade ari bi so wala wo bu and this food one for yeshu one for one yeshu sanda be di ya papa na oye yawo oda so to ho aya yodi wo ho no so mama so fa na asam nchancha wona pomkwen worum boy da won fa mom na yi ka fo bi no do na ekwai mary ye ni jai na ma mo ye me yaw mpo da cha so wo so ye wa asore ba ye wo so fe common MP ono ntuma ambo ampi amane mo we wini ma cha so wo so da so di wachi na mala oyo na si yin na wala wa soro ba oya wo so fe entume ama we nya MP mpenzi ma brante wa akwoboka we gui let ne from ne yawan ko be ya sofo nkwam safo mu wo ho na mo modum brasa nyame nka nyame ya nyame se na reji wudi ndodo dantu anu so aso wanya ne dan dantu abanya busum ebia na mete da rubo NDC aban we echi na rekada na na do wa ya ade papa asem biara ka fa pan na do biara na ba biara pacho ina se wodi bi bia be so nse marisa dan wani ese onka ayi ntokwa no asem ọkọ yu anasem ọkakan de covid kan ho ma Africa nyara ya bra on ye nyama akoso sante akona kọhwe ni speech akaman mo nyina mudi mo yefu na me da ncha mo ya nsam kyerofo mo akodo aman no bokodo na mo nkoye na moka na yi mo yefu na akwadi fa nti se mo yefu na akwadi fa da no biebi anyowa ọrụkọchiwa mogbo hu mo njai na mo man Ghana nkonenyim no man no onye ye no ye mo hwe ma school free mo go wusu obi a onyi bi odibo pedi ban pedi o kotu aboarding fee na wase o kotu dan sika ko rent e dan ama ne ba na wasa we tu school fees bobobo o ka fa wo he hwa ba tan yi na wusu ono na yere ka wasem ono no hi o wada amanfo ye ka wasem na mo nja amamo keka mo de kon owura o mo minja o no bi ntu adoma da se
me da nso asepa ma me ama na me nka wo ho asem de ana ya ho nsam funu ana doso pa udi agora here Evans yes hello hello Evans hello Amina Evans afre bet video no down men some friend no Mami ama park say why make it fantastic to that was yeah it was so abusia number na da wono so tumi frɛ na wachire wadwen me Evans ankama me frɛ no betam so nyante se me frɛ no hello Evans Honorable.
Hi, brother.
Agyapong.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Yamiadumo, where the American brother, my busy plan and pass away. Me conversation, Madame Yandu, because I'm going to one hour to the manager of Palm, so come again. The programs are now Uyami, when I was running. And I'm Autosada by my man Ninko. Mechia Abronye for any out of 4 muti every children bench. We are Oyagma. We are there. Mona, Mana Moyan, because Jumana Momoyano, Wo SKP, Phyllis, and most of MPP communicators now more online. Mona Moya because much I say. Monya because of the Mubenya Gumbuto in Mbeti.
Okay.
It's Nipa Tamek, rare.
Yeah.
I can't even I got Suba to say, Aguaya, who Germany at the Bahine. Suba to say, Kevin Taylor. Suba to say, Bia, most of Kutonominate, Aqua, Kenya, Kenya, Nigeria, Sacrifice be said and come back, but more much I say, Odo Ghana, Namuki, Lisa, Ghana, Beconanim.
Of course.
These are the people we want them to communicate. Now, Mr. Massam Lohan. Now, that jump to one jump one. Oh, the University of Ghana, brother. You'll be our university, the other, when you young Ghana to Madio. Sir, what you jump to another, not one. So, I know your NDC communicator.
Okay.
Now, who said, NDC, or move penetrating in Ghana, who said, media has to be Mutia or workers in a year. As far as the Mutia workers in a year, no penetrated through them. As a journalist, because of Omun Benyasha Mubutum. And now Omunia Mano, Omun Yagma because of say the Papa Bibagan Honum. Because what you done for your things now from we said that that's my pay was it Motiano. What you understand? And at the end of the month, you can't be a better what do you call it? 500 was 1,000 Ghana city. It will be a just can say people promises of $2,000. And I say $500 every month to Gomona, or be professor, or be calculating what I say. Abra, 1 minute, Ninja to animal. A billionaire is how I see an album in video. Why not see? Abra, why ever will be at the album? I'm a fucking grand, I'm in Comoy. Sabio Caprache. Abra, I'm an artist. I am from celebrity. Being a man of Casabi, I am going to Banco. But because of Africa, especially Ghana, for work with one is to Papa Munino. Obigo and Dosomo, Nakampesa Wayari. I must say, you'll be a quack of hell. Why else the person who has a power of I can guess it. Yao double. Yao double, Oba moving much over 2 hours, so you double a bravo, what a brabum. As I say, I double no bonus, I hope it says a chama to minimum. Oh, have branch no more, no market.
Yes.
Jaco, not by all the politics. But I just grab a bono. Also, I also know the sister more Bobrano. As I said, what you need a drag addict in son. Who is that? And son on me, I can keep me say no.
Okay, and so on.
No, I don't know. We get this better 24 a day.
Huh.
Nipasa no. And as a Mahama, so I need to set you on Quacha for Marines.
Yes, I know I'm the same side.
It didn't pass Mahama Sani, Sadama, Ogaze. No, Sadama Mahama, Mahama, I don't present to 2013, 2014 was a
okay.
No, Mahama, present, no, yeah, former president, no, a president then. Who says that be Mahama, I say, old actors in there now, because I was a kidney problem was a sale, and I'm going and you know, Sam Mahama, that's a gun of one or no better. Jimmy, not yes, yeah. Well, it's almost amplified near Ghana, no more. They are not thinking about Ghana, but almost selfish and parochial interest. Tell you, Ghana, and said they're going to say Ghana because I did in Ibn I was going to find out the Papa Grumble now, but Ghana and say now, Nunes can say Butum. But you mean if you say Ghana, no say, Ghana, what you want to mean by Bianco this well, Mammy, what you jump to, so that we are my family, which I'm Abronye.
Ethiopia.
What you jump to, or your Jimmy, and on top of so, and I'm a journalist for Ghana, no money pay, the politicians not to go moon. Now, Basana, and some Huno Becca. Say, NBC for Russia, Ukraine, and almost fantastic. Now, communicator Russia, Ukraine, and Mahama, United Nations. Okay, I say COVID, any Russia, Ukraine, I say African economy, and I said you one acre. But you don't want what is happening now, Mahama United Nations, because I say Mahama United Nations, and I can wait because we are seeing in our
yes.
Mahama people just be Mahama ko Harvard University. Eko can say send the COVID next year say Ghana no. I say Africa nya Ghana ko ba say we are seeing no. Ba Ghana no ba le ka tire tibon ko so to say wo go do one ma wo wa ni mu nyina say ya ma $500 ka e okay mount no. Wo be kan kwa yasem no. Wonum say na Mahama ba no be ka say we see. Na COVID Russia Ukraine war. Send the Akufo-Addo Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia and the MPP government. Omo manage Ghana through this all this turbulent times no. So, and this is what the trust had in the man. And Ghana sinking club like a name who Ghana will become a social body so much China for. Because me can't club on Yabia and Ebola, a Biba, Africa, West Africa countries with Ghana, to scare from the man. Ghana for some more fire establishment, COVID center near you. Muhammad is just an hour of my body. And when Muhammad can say, COVID, Ebola and a hard in Africa. Meanwhile, Ebola, I guess. Some countries about 3 or 5. Who did?
Mitopa.
Me say ma kwado jantua asamba ko say China economy flow kakra stop kakra that was 2013 2014 no. Muhammad ye campaign say China economy entiama economic growth na aye weak. Meanwhile na bibia si wo babia o. Na China economy na growth no. Na America economy is flowing, European economy is flowing. Everything is moving on but or the China economy ko ye yastic. But can we talk same about MPP and then another Akufo-Addo?
Absolutely.
The whole world was coming to the whole world came to a standstill.
Yeah.
No plane is moving, no ship is moving, no everything is moving. Me no tell you how me. You play for more than 7 months. I no be able to go back.
Serious pa, me kai pa serious pa.
In this condition, na na jantu anya me na Akufo-Addo me do baby. Na me ya say or the Ghana ni ho bet na satem no na ke say Akufo-Addo jakwa na Ghana for wu pa ka say pa yibi say kwa jo jantu go wi na ga di ba do no ya ga jimi fo bebrebe wo fi system mama kro ma kunu ni bet na do ko gire sa akro fo we ho ma na mo ti ase kan kwa satem. Yes, because the public say kwa jo jantu say na ke say o say o through COVID because o wu ya nka sa kwa satem wonka because adam na before cancer COVID before 2021. If you before 2022, Ghana economy too strong. Now for the past 5 years, I could do president. Ghana euro city let us around 6 something.
Yes, of course. Yeah, and it's 6 cities for $1.
For 5 good years.
Yes.
Last time it was one of the strongest currency around the globe. Wow. Now even Ghana United Nations United Kingdom pounds. Now yes, now because of that period, all this big money is in the balloon. I think that because of the situation where they found themselves in. That's how I say, what is NBC for Russia, Ukraine? Economy was started building before economy started because of Bawumia policies. We are the say, or you forgot no man, now my economy Ghana for the problem you say. Before I didn't say about the I do some baby amount of people. Now this is for the propaganda. And this is the OT book for people to say, what do you want to say? I'm okay, be no, my friend, no, my jammo. This is Mahama G. This is one I will say, Mahama on Casano. Jabba Panama or Yogano. Jabba Panama or Yogano. On your way. Yes, on I said, Bibiano of rest stakeholders, right? And then it is Mahama to have rest stakeholders about Galamse. Now, Mahama, so you pay now what Shamasa, CSO's manner. Just a Mahama, because that's man, responsible or you're irresponsible. When we talk about irresponsible, it's Mahama. Mahama be some friends because one of us are Mahama or who promised Ghana for the great state of emergency? Over the LI now, and my mama for government reserve. Who by him? Who don't get over LGBT? Obey, no more promising all you want him. That's over some and the state emergency declare. Now, we are incompetent man. We are irresponsible. We are foolish and idiot president because you cannot take the decision of your own. Meanwhile, you take your salary on your own. And again, I'm going to be able but problem, but they're not people. That man is an incompetent and very foolish man. Very useless and very, very indecisive person. When you leader, but Ghanaians wanted to get somebody whom they can fall, they can get anything that they want. If you know why you see Mahama there, oh, brother, when you got up and Mahama, would they Akuba that Mahama, who's a man of the Akuba that all they know.
Yeah.
One, where sir? Now this is a sample for this time around. There must have said you and not and misleading Ghanaians. But I am say Ghana for no one harvest their own fruit of labor.
Okay.
Said you on Dabana, Yanatum, so and Oyani balance before Makwati Mota, Manakobium. What the best answer, naturally say opportunity bar while making good use of their knowledge. What I say?
Yeah.
Bro. My name is Abronye also got a payment for Sina. That is a program you have to Chapa or Bekaya. There almost a year ago. I go to ascend north by election no Bekaya.
Yeah.
Make I say Justin Kodia does not qualify even to be national organizer for this party. And my sister become a Bantame.
Make I
that is an about problem. So very good on Mabium. No, maybe I don't know. And one my Miss Abeka say, just the report Kodia, the way Miss Mihuno, and the way Ghana policies, confident to be that position. He can be in that position in the party, but to lead the party as a MPP, as a chief scribe, one qualified on the position, but we give it to him. But that very day, no, Emma is disappointed in that young man. That's the program sending the me or a mini actor. Make us say, ultimately this party because we are weak. Put your hands on, I say, Nipabino or Swani Pabino, Nipabinaton, especially Kennedy Agyapong. And see, want to make assembly of Kennedy Agyapong. Now, I said that before we have this club book and the Agyapong distinguished man, this useless and this Obia woman who the distinguished, just before we have who the definition of the distinguished person. You can't be a distinguished person. It isn't Nipa. Obuno, not Nipa Buno, a respected person. But a young one, and never know, you've been indistinguished people, on Babel leaders, because the Muhammad, my president, when the man and the gun and I fall to flag low. When the Muhammad and I fall to flag and then Muhammad, president, yeah, Kennedy Agyapong, or Muhammad starting, or only Mahama. Not the Muhammad in your president, Kennedy Agyapong fight for president because who they ever MPP come with a tradition. Metesano beat Kennedy Agyapong speed your home camp as some say, Chama to me and qualify class of UPSA or more president. Yeah. And I mean, as I could work aside, that work as a bra. The man must say, but that was a man, I'm a person or Yamami. Sir, Jamaun to me qualified to make my SRC president there. Not Kennedy Agyapong there. He's not qualified even to be LPP as a cleaner. That's why I also was that. But we are saying your first candidate BPR. They are getting any young fan, any son is a Cassani pound. Young LPP tradition. What I forget about UP nominee for GCC near started from 1992. Nipa caliber of people from this party. Yeah, Professor Dubuahen. Yeah, Obit Kufo. Competition. Judgments and nominations. Hakma Usman. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, any public said, Nanaku. Yeah, we have the caliber of people like Akufu Baumia. Yeah, Cousin Sanko in Nakoja, yeah, access on my. Why do Kennedy Agyapong belong?
Yeah.
Where does Kennedy Agyapong belong? But ultimately, on only radio station can say chairman, ultimately qualifies to be a central regional chairman. But you want Kennedy Agyapong, whom he don't come close near to chairman ultimately. That's not for everything. No? Chairman ultimately will not take the LPP party for the to go and disgrace the party.
Absolutely no. He will never.
Chairman ultimately ever been cast and money for LPP. Chairman ultimately always fight for the party and he always fight for the interest of the LPP. But when you are a person like Kennedy Agyapong, you can say, I'm people for you, or me, Jimmy for. I need me, but I'm here, I'm meaning as I check Kennedy Agyapong. can direct Okasama hat because or Kennedy Agyapong because of LPP for Malenyaska. I can say LPP when I was including former President John Agyapong Kufuor. But Yenya Kwasi Kwasi no support this foolish statement. Because he is their paymaster. But you don't be a Kennedy Agyapong what been fire there. Ya back ya gina no. Chama Abronye ni awadi ya Kennedy Agyapong me tana 100%. That's just
owusu no nyo.
Or take it Chama Abronye to disciplinary committee. And they have a lot to do because Kennedy Agyapong qualifies or passes that bet now. Because brother, how can you tell me say you belong to conservative, you belong to Buzia Dakwa tradition? Now you don't believe ideology of them, but you rather believe in their opponent. Why don't you go to CPP and mingle with them?
And a betrayer, a betrayer of idea.
With this particular statement, you can disqualify Kennedy Agyapong. By me, now, why I say, just if you on this, Dr. Chan, on the drum, I can say, oh, by my bus, Nigeria, or Begin Brand. Miss me, advocate with me for 2 years. Or when Yamaya, which is me to reduce. Yes, they do send a partner with Magina on its own. So that the uncle best cabin through one national defender take that advantage. What take is our opportunity now in this guy has already want to say a party man because we contribute to. There's a party as a LPP party. That's you're registered for more than 5 million members. Every month you'll be one city company 5 million. I can do anything about for this party.
Yes.
Me and my who campaign say LPP need to get the structure. I will just simply because of what this is in Ghana for MPP for Obama secretary. What about what had nothing now? La Sulala. Okay, Wapakama, but the next country I'm for. We are disgrace. Just simply as a disgrace to MPP as a whole. Because he is not a leader and he cannot be a leader. And I have seen this thing for many years ago. Because a long time ago, I was a leader. What do you mean he did this party? But people keep on saying, oh, he's this. Or no, what do you mean party? Because all what is here was looking at the party of your party. Now, I was looking at the party. I don't be so at Japan because Kennedy Agyapong didn't maybe or maybe on top of Kennedy Agyapong, and you had to say, any party. Even Grandpa said, you talk about Grandpa, what you should have open party. Who can want to? But rather say, maybe if you more party. Many people will say, my person out. That means you are ready for him to disrupt the party. You are ready for him to, on say party, no. So I tell you, who make Makokano Dambu time? I'm a Dambu as I said. Who make Makokano was a John? And I'm even a class here. I said, what can let me say party? What about that? What out? It is Justin Prepobia. May power the case will be quite the power. I'm not what to say. When I didn't contest for the second time, only him because on deserve to be our chief scribe. Because one only say, why you coward, why you football, why you bail, and can afford the cast as I say, we are bail. But when you be able to me, I lead this party. This time around, no, yes, I have flashing public the 3 MPP party, celebrate I make my sound and unity front to face NBC coming 2028. The Obo, I was a bit of Mamma, Mr. Mabambi. The Chama Abronye, Yatanachi. Omo say, Omo Jai, Kennedy Agyapong, and your papa, Mamma Macan, and food. Adi, Apple Muddy, not on Baba Chama Abronye, and a bear west. And a bear west. And a professor opposition or by opposition were cloud for the years. But the same America on contested or contested with woman. So my was 1 million, 1.5 million votes, and now man people winning. Yes, we have 4.2 million. Yes, we have 4.2 million. What does it? Okay, my come really go to kilogram. Okay.
Bye bye. Bye. Nti ene area Evans nso adi nkomo kama. Yes, yem fa ye maame Esther. Him say afresh into no back door. Ye fancy sia na ono nso abekire na adwen kama pa. Sem no de mu ede, eti ebetie ni nan kakra. ani adɔbo no wende na mahyira paare course amanfo ayɛ na ɔkyɛn no wesi na me de abom
hello Mr. Mafo
ma me mo akwa papa
Mmojo
ya mo ma me ho te sɛ
eti sen
pa so yɛ pa na nso
Yakopo adumo
yɛ da kopon ase
na mo won so awo wo ho anasa UK nko a
efe na nsu ahyɛ ase to nti hyeda nya awo bɛtɛ nti sɛ first
September pa wo bi chia wa anya somkuto
achichiri wa achiri
yo me chia busuafo nyina
je so
Mr. Mafo mame ndi kan kɔ kwasiampanyin na ɔse efe ni dantoa no
aha
hwɛ bra me say mintumi enka because God know the reason ma me kopie say kru na efre no African so hwɛ wo hwɛ nyame abɔde a ebi agimi pa bla mento sebe nyame abɔde no ye wagimifo a they only think about their own dia kanyina said the bia oh Mr. Mafo me dasi o nyame hira we de nka ma hia wa ebi na janto eye no se obedidie na ne babenya school mu kwan akọ no obi babewu die enya na sem so what the omo person omo kire no
yeah
because so wo hwa ne bibia wo gina ho na no enya na ne president na ne tinihwi nim no ko gina America ka say in fact you COVID ni yeah way
Russia Ukraine war no
Russia Ukraine war affect Africa wan koka
oka pa
eti jantoa me pass catch wo so wo ye gimifo e che wo no ambresa yen a ye hwe wo ene wo nkwasi asem a wo keka wo konso na chi no because sabita fache sa twe no abusuafo mo fa ncheme e twe na wo no e dia na me di besusu no because amre yen a wo ti konso na chi na ye hwe wo no ene ebusasa na ho abanie because adie na do ba wiase no menye sure say efa baby papa wo ye kwase ampanyin na wagimi gantoa mame busa wo president na ni ti o hwini mu no wo bakasa ayi China for that day atofamaji chahan
yeah
wo president no oteso no wo leader na makofa no na mode na bana wo tete wa babu sumi nkuno gantoa ni best ayi power achieve eye pad to gantoa wutie wo first president na de ne baye no do kokromoti wo campaign ma ye de ne baye etwebone a wo tweba bajimifo ya wo leader na akofa ne baye na wo do kokromoti kwato nkwase abade ma no me ka kire wo say sa wo leader na kogina America say aye COVID Ukraine war na ayeden aha Ghana na me say say jantoa wo leader na wo de ne baye no busu ne nkrunya ye wura busu bi dumo jantoa are you counting it on Fahima Ghana they still live on ideology of Nanado any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP aban intervention on the baye no that is what they are still living on. You are a very fool. We are kwasia. Yes, be ma kwasia so de ne masubi. Uni onfani trust ni chum gantoa. Wafu yes nipa wo statise wo fu dwene a na kanyansa ye den ewom. But wo dwene na wo free de ye jimi and your children will be very very disappointed in you. Because we are kwasiemu triple bypass na we ye ni e ba owusu bempah so papa owusu bempah medical me se me challenge o na me so challenge o say want to mean fact Christianity and here this time Ghana for na me ka kire wo mo ɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ ɛna meka kyerɛ mo sɛ yɛkɔ heaven a there won't be any discrimination. And yɛnkɔfa bibi ma sɛ wɔyɛ Christian ɛna ɛyɛ Muslim. Now you guys should be warned seriously. Sɛ mokɔ di saa nkwasiafoɔ wɔ yɛkyi, especially the delegate. Mama to me, mama dwene ne ti mu kɔ no so na hɔ. Na mokɔ tia owusu bempah. Mokɔ tɔ ne tribe man. Oh my God. Okay? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, me, as far as I'm concerned, no, say, or you're Muslim and wobedi there, and then you miss to season in heaven. Or you mean season me. Or you mean season in heaven. Then I strongly believe, say, God will not seize my heaven. Because he was created by image of God. Yeah, Abraham asifo ana me boa me samafo.
Ono pepepe yenyina Nyankopon ma.
Ishmael Abraham ba. And Isaac so ye Abraham ba. So what is Ghanaian's problem? Mudi wa wusu the same wusu bempah na ba ebe ka kire mu se. E moja wo Mahama nsa ho. Na a future bi an musa de Mahama ba. Problem about started there. Mum to me Kali. Me question me person me busu owusu bempah say. Owusu bempah wano yesai. Wano na wo de kasa no. Do you think say Nyankopon ye kwase ohu? Ana say just ogwe na no ana say onye hwe no. You can use the name of God to mock the name of him. Uba boni din na wo dia din samone na wo dia kansam hwe dia go no ho owusu bempah this time no there they say in spiritually, physically and mentally owusu bempah ye di nkonhwe bia tum da. Let words be words. I put it to you. And people for so mu do our chino so they should be careful. Say a bit do the same thing be a Justin Kodria. What done in that junior or kase or kwa ya day or ko report to Abronye na any won't call because ye nim so mu nyina no they don't mean well for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na ye pese ye ka che Nyankopon say on break sa record way no one che Ghana for say Muslim ni susu nyanfa ye day e woni tirim. So what you say? Yes. And na ipa 5 no nyina so no mu gina no. Ono ene betumi aboa mabunu. Ono ni bibia odi to obia no ene betumi aboa mabunu. You also want to ask no bra no ma challenge mo na me enko debate. Na me che ni say papa no se ka Ghana fo anya so tie ene o ma nya akwamodi ye. Ena MPP ba so matena se ene o ma tie Kennedy Agyapong busieni onu kwaso obesta to run from ya papa ekofo mreso. Amanfo ni o mo competition onu kwa ba bi pe ye de MPP. She calamity a one people. Mr. Mafo, MPP baso. What was I near my way with that?
Dabida.
But that for when Kwa buy but them anyway, a fierce was nega best say, what Jana journey be a theater. Onu Kwa buy and MPP and Dejama Yekusa Wamusa Bolojo. Aden Kennedy Agyapong. Yes, sister Edria, a woman, a drama who moved sura. Men come bantam Diana Fanny Mafo. Kennedy Agyapong. The cat a sing Uncle Pony Munyam. A boy, yes, Christo, our dinner would that to what the Jim no me no one wouldn't pop bonny this time say. Said not and people so and then the woo when you're baby dinner. And also person will bring it MPP down. I put it to you, say you will never win. Mark it on your wall. Whoopa. Baby, I will be able to mark it on your wall. So we need that. God will put you ashamed. No one will say, but we are so no or your nipa. The Muslim now was someone and a Montiasia undone my Christian that. Because do you know why Mahama called Christian as an omotuaman? Because you greedy bastard. Mahama by no be a Christian, one with more of Mutika. A Christian for Moya Crom for Mumubinamo. Moya Crom for Moya Ribalao. The Muslim didn't come by and who Christian who to me yet that. Now who Kennedy Agyapong who crown who said medium in for your Christiania. You come and take class of Christian, yes, to credit or baby other. Let's say Christianity, and I would buy a banter. So Christianity is also the Odi, and a wusu bempah chidia. That's it. Ya catch who knew wusu bempah. You can fuck off. Mokope bebintana. And ya musumasi jwa mudie no. Ena mudi be dada Ghana for na Ghana for nso so ye catch them. Mama madwiri mu na ho asafo no nyina mo ye criminals. Mugwa sore dem wo no. A mudi yodwom no. Enfie na adwom tom. Tom to sa nantwie. Any nyan, any nkukwo. Describe yourself how you want yourself to be described. No? That is how they sold you. How many politicians no aya alliance? Oh, you better catch ya solid for mano. Ya di ya can say way come shaba dada womo no ma yede o makotwa abama womo. Eti Ghana for amutu aba. Juna wo bani da na do school fees na ni hobium no ana ni free education ni hobium no say de won so wo bre ayi Christiana woni ni tunu mu school sa ayi sukula gotam ni no fuase school sa ko bi na wo so wo pehen ni jomoton no akoya ogina wa no wo kase wo de so na ha man samla biom
ya CEO CEO
awie na ni di wo manu mi rafi aboasa no when mu call themselves a celebrity ye ka celeb papa mu go abrochira mo ye celebs ye pe celeb ayi mahama nkukwo bo celebs no ene be dada mu wo mu be dada mu o tom ena mo di mu sako hyejem ene gya hyemo ene mu ntie nkwasiasem a Sam George no mu nyina keka okudata brokwa etiri mu se de onyini amene no want me amene no apu na begu ayi botan so wani mu nyina adefu se mahama ne na point is mo hwe de bosome dupe mo hwe de o man asesan ye na wo jantoa at least no one na do na the security ye na wo das ye munya light dem aboasa wanu tusu se atosode wanu ko se baby a wo di fi obi baabie kwasea munyina mahu nyame betua mo ka se de numate na wo say wo ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ama no ene ka hu say MPP Justin Kodua agu awie o wegu because ideology na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ba mabunu na nwa bi na ye yusu o UK ha and I presume so be a what you be no it doesn't matter Europe country be no it's exactly the same they are using there.
Of course
you know what will say wo ma Bawumia ama no na person will say wo di Bawumia ideology or di ba e di ama mabunu no be ka pass no wallahi yeah radi nyankofon akura bi anka dem
amen
akura bi anka dem say me Me penny passampa. Come told me Bibiana Bagana. Na me gu MPP ama Kennedy Agyapong said MPP sti NS was say or person obey president dear. Tokro bia money and this nyina wo mo me gu and this so aka ho. Me to me ho niema ata magana for so omungu so mo de. Ada na wo ye busuani sa. Adan na wo ye busuani. Woda. Sa wo koda woda na wo de hwafwa wo ho. Wajapade na wudi hwahwa ho wajapade na wudi ye yi kasa ai mimi wa agare mane. I'm a rich person mo here for ye kasa na mo so mo kasa bi sesikan uba Ghana wo free wo America wo enye bi no wasesa nkwasiafo mu didi o machi wo betena broche na life etwabo mo sa de me so me de etwabo me wa haya na mo bedi di obewura politicians achi mabewura politics na nkora na nka wasai ye omo ye twobu na nka ye di oma no contract na oma ni sika behwe omo no na mo nenam ho na mo makogege na mo di agum botom he munya mo nsam fon no munya hwani ni anya mo dini bo ni ya bram wate so wo say wo pese wo destroy ba wo mia Kennedy, I swear to God you will go down. Wo be kofom. You can say. Na do was no. Yeah. Na upat wajuma bufo na bi ni contract wa wo ba no. Africhala ni ona na hodo. Wo ba Kenneth no. Africhala enye ona na hodo. Yes. Enye the last one wo hodo we ya me say masesa jinse mo be ya no. Afro features ade no.
Almost the son of we are intellectual property.
Ken, we are greedy. So please, Chirima, Osia Hene, Otua Hene, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Mun Trosteno, Namun Tuabano, Namun Famano. Try him for 4 years. Mun try no, some try 4 years. Because Obia was mandate for 4 years. And I'm a boy, Mr.
4 years. 4
years, Namunshana Memu. And the business for Abosoka for Musu Papa any Muboja say. Mefa kwan bia so na Togo ayi na omuye no maye bi wo Ghana. Mutie no. Mantie papa we. Ene musu. Ekene sa dollar ekosuro ekofomo. Dollar obi a wote business as also Dr. Bamume will say sana some no kind on back it up on back it down that was say when the economy is what your exchange rate will expose you. Yes. And this if when you expose me expose me na doc ayi say ye ka economy so amuntiase dollar ekosura na cedis wo forma economy for no be fa way a omo de be balance no ba ku wo se koso na ba ku ba form na business ye den eye stable eno na mumu bebre no montiase dollar shitu ko forma dollar ay ko form nyina no nya na petrol koso ro Ghana
bebre na no ya tum ene 1st October ye de bi aka ho
mokania mahama ba so watum sai
3 times in here.
So eti enye na nadunum so ho no musina enema enye yi esusu na mu bibia ye below down anameboa.
Yes, of course.
Eti dantoa mu de mu grid na ewo mu so no mabumbo na konsu achi na mu betna aye propaganda se NDC na no mu fa mu chimi ene mu kwase asem no mu fa ntana ho na mu si wo ma no nkoso he asase na mo nan etia so no na nanom mo hye fom ahunhum na ewo fom no eni wiem benkum nifa atoye etifi omunim bedi ne nyonyonyo na omunim di wie a onyankopon so de ne di ayeden aka ho amam nkwasiafo mo obonsam anene bini agumonum asa dwonso agumonum eti na ntro mo kwa ntro ehihye mo ba bia mo dodom monum nyina bon toro NDC fo nyina monum bon toro mo jimi mo ma jimi mo ma wo mo twede da fam te se ayi mo ma no wo mo twe ete se edida fam se obi adidi no wato ball ade atofo saa na mema no soso mo tie eti mo shut up there na mo mfa de mo betumi aya ma wo man no emfamra dwantoa wo wa futuotoa ko na ko to o president na wo susu na ni tiri ho na hwiri ni mo no why mo president na makofa na ba na wo susu a wonya ka wo so de IPO say ITO say de ben
IP address
bechiche no won fa mechiche se na Dubai so no wochiche ya eko wo be start afiri wonu ani fie Mahama wa point is so na nko bechiche. Can you guys stop playing a game towards the ordinary Ghanaians? Na mo aduani ni mo fa school na ye de ma na do kono handover oye bibia ma mo correct na bibia ni apart from IMF debt restructure no wa ye bibia ye den ato e de amamo e de ba biem wo ba na ka be na wo tua ye busa Mahama dantoa ye busa mo emmoa na du jaka to what said ya Mahama ka so wa renam na manaka dompe na e kamu benya brand free papa ma josu de bia ana kamu benya pay e de bia emmoa sefo nkurama mesamafo mame fo manusia ye judge for no ye judge me for na ye ba bia se betutu yen ya me shira obe bye bye
shira oso amesta bye bye ya ma amesta na mekete ne nka no ai wa ye omu yie kama pa wa service omu yie aha yewia why be so aflash o ma me frɛ no. Hello, Ajay, to say?
Yeah, me out of my own way.
But na couple na duma ho adren ho pa. E mo kwa wa program so.
Yeah, John, so me che bu singa phone tie fo ya ma me o ka fa idea. Number 1, e wo fidi so die for boy juba.
And you do the best you know I'm frana is a bibi nko yie. I'm frame
boy juba ka
aduma na me ye nko se dia me hwehwe no.
Pap na no ate no ka sa isi so.
Yeah.
Is here some so pe. Only is a wa home ben asem. Na me ya every bia na me ba efedi so a ya na de ha me asofo a omodo mo ho age politics kame ne kanya bone e ma me se sofo wo hye nkoma fo oman enya bone ma me de mom mo e de asem hye nyame ano a afre nyame nye den enka asem ya ne ma me se ka asem before zu bempa the past enkomisha wo hye amefa nkoma ama saying in some way, you president, be a Ghana for money, the president, and near man, a business, no, yeah, you be. Minia, Sanka, your friend is a also bempah, send your politics there. Why you know say, war ye air black before then, you may have some air black meal at the Pisica, at the upon the bottom, the friend and one in the bushia. Kajo, some more kind, Minia. Ka nyame asem fita pass de atwam na America ka nyame asem fita benia kenye nyame asem kwa ka ba bisi asem so ne benia do Mahama bai ye hu ne ma enko so say e de ma ne dana kwa mu ene ma pasa ye na ekoso Ghana to on benia what say Ghana for we refugee da e free say ye generation ye nte say Ghana ni bi e bi si da ba e bi ba bisi enti man ka so wo so ba pa ka man ka ye no correct. So be the president be when me this is woman anymore. Enya ne market wa. Menuya. So be dia na crop be say. Womo koji oboase kalam say. Bo site you say be betisa ma sukiafo. Ekunkum nipa menuya. Nipa sukiafo kunkum wo mo na wo mo say nipa no hwe no. Me na yemo wa because a report we dey ka buy no. Report na na meeting no kwa o catch or report say nipa 14. Ene sukiafo na kunkum ni Oma bobi tributu ebiyem ebinri ekunkum wo mo ba lita no conclude say nipa watching. They say nipa watch kwana kanya hwe. Men ya hwe so ba ye bono ayi ye friends aboko en to kwa water. Then so mo ba ye ni busanfu nya ye gidi ba. Hwe eni ma kesi a maybe accident ni ma kesi ni so man mo dada. Na so na kesi a ACC enya de ketwa. Ene niema ACC enya de ketwa. Enti nanka asaf na kodi kaka nanka nanka se kwaswa. Nanso no nipa ko ya betwa no ho be ka kire ese ya beto aba. E be ka kire ese nyankopon ese Mahama ene wa kuma pa obetimi aba be ye kuma pejini no bibie no obetimi anga fa adem. Ena penya pa aba be yo my pejini. No my opinion no also member what was only them confirm instead of sɛsɛ wo a ebie no obetumi abɛyɛ wo manpanyin wɔ Ghana na wo ɛna wosi wo manpanyin wɔ Ghana media ne ho ayɛ no wa wɔ saa asɛm no ho sɛ wo so mɛmpa menyɛ sure sɛ wɔyɛ nipa anaasɛ wɔ abusuani sɛ woyɛ nipa a deɛ wowɔ abusuafo wɔ man no mu ɛno koraa na nkyɛn koraa no asɔre dɛm wɔ na wogyina no wɔyɛ asɔre hwɛ mɛma a ɛdi n'akyi megye te sɛ bi akɔkɔ so kama Charles owusu ni abeka ya oye adwuma obi sɛ fam ne na ya de oye ni interpreter ma be second oye aso ya no gyina na chi ɛno kwa na nchi megye sɛ na so le dem doctors lawyers ɛnom ne nipa akoko school akɛse megye sɛ na so le dem obi go ne sɛ bi go hɔ na wɔ abusua bi ne sɛ wotumi ka sɛ me ɛna mi sɛ president nti sɛ ɛnyɛ me obi enti me di president na sa nkorɔfo ne go no one to choose so maybe president here. Name political party be now dear, what pressure say, will be any president, who's been power yet or for. We in Yamasumi, and in Yamujuman away. Saying Yamujuman away and some now can see a book and say no idea. May challenge you used to be passed, the next apart one, yeah, that one. So was always no crazy Yami, Panaya, maybe to the one. I'm too challenged to do with it. The next apart way that one. Woman has only papa who president. Woman has only one and go ye MP. Woman mummy and son, and go ye MPs. No member back when you're president or gun because we need choose. Miss Antes idea, any less and no some okay, Kevin, we are tough for what say. Me meeting up men to me choose president. And answers and Yamia will be no bit my baby president or what. So, ɛno bi na ho gyina no ɔyɛ yɛn toatoa no ne n'asefo a and this power ne ɛba fam wɔ ho spirit ne ɛba fam mebia sɛ Bible yɛ nyinaa kenkan bi so obi wɔ diifo ne nyame de asɛm hyɛ odiifo ano so wɔmmɛka te sɛ de wɔgyina no so dɛ mɔspo ɔno wɔka na menua wɔexplaini biribi amfa nkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ wei na ɛdesi wayɛ nti wotumi no power na nyame de ba wɔ so mo fa bi de ade na ɛba fam what is working bibi wɔexplaini biribi a ɛwɔ de na adwene atɔfo wo hu sɛ Mahama ɛka sɛ wɔn kɔ bio because wɔn nyinaa adwene ne sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ sɛ ne bɛyɛ Mahama ɛbɛkɔ another 4 years abriki constitution no a law no a yɛwɔ no wabriki constitution no a another 4 years nti Mahama kunu yɛ no wɔn sɛ Abronye program a wɔyɛɛyɛ no ɛbɔ danka William D. Fry sɛ wɔn akɔhyia sɛ Mahama nkɔ bio akɔtua sika ɛnom ne n'asɛfoɔ ɛna danka William kɔgyina n'asɔre dɛm ɔka sɛ ne Abronye wogyina hɔ ɔka saa so ne kɔhyia obi da bɛn abere ne yɛm sɛ constitution no koraa mma kwan sɛ Mahama bɛkɔ another 4 years bio anaasɛ obi wɔ ɔbɛtam ti another 10 bio ɛna already osu de bɛka sɛ asɛm no Abronye kaa yɛ na danka William ba bɛsosɔ so no abɛyɛ musu ɛde abɛhyɛ danka William kɔm ɛkora ka asɛm bi sɛ Bible koraa sɛ meba bɔneyɛfoɔ gyigye wa mɛntɛmɛ nti sɛ wɔsɛ Abronye yɛ de bɔneyɛni na sɛ wɔyɛ bɔnsam a wɔka asɛm ama wɔaba abɛgye asɛm no akɔ abɛgye asɛm no ato nti aba abɛyɛ musuo ɛho na wohwɛ wɔn sɛ Mahama kosi ayɛ no wɔn ka kyerɛ Mahama sɛ yɛsrɛ wo brabɔnten ɛbɛka kyerɛ wo man ne sɛ wonkɔ bi sɛdeɛ ɔbɛnya bɛma yɛn asɔfo yɛne mu nyama ayɛ dɛ aba ɛnyɛ ma adwa Mahama ba abɔnten wɔ bɛka saa asɛm no nti ɔbɛka yɛ no ama nso na mpɛfunu sɛ adwene na woyɛ tirim sɛ wɔno ankasa ɛkɔ bio di a wɔbɛtumi asa retain power no ɛnam so nkɔ bio no nti wɔbɛkyɛngye nipa foforɔ And we say, what changing the power for us on a first time vote, candidate, difficult to say. Ghana for that one, and so now we are the MP before. A bit choose about the a bit difficult to say this bit me away. Insanity, a quick, no, my member, Namin fancy me met to a bontin to tongue for arguing. So, Namin fancy me met to a bontin to tongue for arguing. Said your bayer, you do what? Namakan, says a kind. Some years or did you me? Oh, why not just play smart? Maybe when you're smart and find you will be a pipe or not. What on by 1 hour in the booby. Diana was some near man, maybe a year soon I can see it near my guess yet. At a wusu bempah, the air from my head in there. And not my one thing and canon. So you want to see a chair. And then, or bois, why you talk for Ghana for a soft or Mudiano. Woman, just hand your man so. And what the idea, say, oh, my, and what the idea, say, oh, my, no, just hand your man so. So, intimate, sign a one it here, and I'm who you see was a who you see was a mine. And say, why not for John Sapan with them you? What would we baby catch that? Ghana for say, John Mahama and Sam Blabby, who break your constitution and go on some rapper with you. We are surprised. Obey it. The things are some walking as some who's head, where you are for. The many review Kennedy Agyapong, and I could be a quarter to me radio. So what be there? And yes. Okay, program nominal myself for me. Yes, suspend the Abronye and call cake as answer. Me a baby no. You can't make a club and they are going to say. Abronye a party executive. What's that men or cramming within Como? I'm could be something. And I'm catching up executives no. Yeah, laws. A boy who buy a party in sense among. So it is a free. Oh, that's all you can say behind your part in the constitution. No, you find out. Name problem. I want to say, many a part in the constitution. Are there a deep problem? The upper part in when they say, and Kennedy Agyapong, yeah, now you saw by flag bearer, Eddie Iron, and a creative problem. Then you by a pie and a half in him. Why not listen the patapa and me? The waiting the AG to me be hard to the away the power. So our strategy in where they will be useful. And what to see more. And I me, Musika, me, you say, what is with the patapaki cancer and a part of money bokrono and I blame $800 million. Say, Lorenza, Mimi Bra, Bidinichi, or Ghana, or a businessman. Now, what Obama in this is surprise. The catch was all to Obama in this is a surprise. A quite of fast for Obama in this is with Kennedy Agyapong. Now, you see, NPP, the last guy in the 2 years. Yammy, I don't want to say. And Ghana for me, and this in a drama hammer. Internal or the Kennedy Agyapong, Ghana for ye, and young got Quaba. This in the Papa could be in the head. And it's a quad father. And I will vote to be a count to say 2020 vote Munyan. A credit back 2024 not the winning power. Me bra, as one what I can say. I we business my resatum dollars some name exchange rate and so forth. Okay, piano with me catch. I Kennedy Agyapong. Emra in Sika and as how $1 grana who are dead no so for crania madiaban. We bino. Now no, what was a Sika need be war. And our day your politics. What are your politics? Then besides Sika Biden was Sika was Siska Baumia Siska Guani Kufuadwa. Was I? And you can the Japan back at chess or bring $10 million to say. When you know step down. In the fast, I'm with Jinas Assam, so the Bia, or Casasa made the Bia. In the Mimisan, the Bia mean is here. Yes, yeah, me catch on meeting, me catch on saying the moon somewhere. I will last 4 years about one. And I'm one in California, then got up because what catch a gun and he say, would you want be more Jessica? It could go abroad to 2 feet abroad. No, Abba, what you mean to know about Obama, says I told me more than 3 years ago. And a man got 4 times, no man got to Abba. Into could we have what one as I was Abronye, which I may want to know more cancel tears suspended woman could we have more executive we no more create a problem that they have for every last 2 years. And not gonna be Agyapong years over 2 years. What is more chances work cancel in some money I catch a more you more suspending no money see and more if you will be at could ya ever tell want to radio so I have radio no somebody and I want to radio so I cried and I won't be son of wasm to be son of wasm say let's see me a day to me a and call for ye compare more mama ye compare good yes oh you mean to me this item now go to was and no pet a yinibino you mean to me the answer no be better I go to say how ye minister no say be our call baby nothing ready baby and as call baby so I ye program be as a minister next we share delegate and that's one more ya oh no wrong thing be a day womb the could be a cast and could be a we create a problem. And yes, I'm not constitution as a lawyer. And yes, I'm not constitution you mean to my you mean to Musu Bianco ye compare. You mean to and so be a minister as will take his advantage in the about me as a vice president. And to also Soliani or non some funny part in the vice president, you know, one functions in campaign. But yes, I'm what and a one fee no make my boom one that was war. And the other quarter about Yamia Doma about Yahweh near NPP, the whole entire party in the general election, Lucian. Yes, I see the same thing. One in them call for Biatam, one in them call for Kansam, one in them call for AEC. Not one as our Abronye Spackers or knows what is. I think you must say a Kikako bonnet. And tell no one dear, woman, you may be on your sweat to her, dear young. 10 years. Party in the end, you won't be no problem. Because here they and I'm money the but I'm moving most to the more interest, more personal interest. And music are more back of politics and I'm some DHD. The some of the broom at an opposition better in few in few one maybe it will aim a Sunday. Position better people party anymore. I don't need any position. We are part anymore. In the no, one more say, no more to me, no sense. That's what must be sad on mobile and the and no more. Papa, Minia, ideas are coming out.
That's a yeah, boy. Yamen cow. Hello. Okay, and you are one at 10 and cannot I. On the swatch and I can come up. Yes, I was young for your transit 3 good hours. A more true. 3 hours the more through. I transfer per bet. And then the person can comment in and 2 hours your comment to be a trainer mankind. Na yen na yen koda. Aye. Yen fan chance in fra pampampa. Ebe kan comment ye ba yen na. Me kan brofro na enye da mfan cheme. Yen person kan sama kan comment ni na se unyan subscribe ya me so se subscribe. Na fa unsa esi adoma no so. I said, I am a life for Bianca, I was a man of a camera. Na yedi Jumadie no. Na yento aso na yenko yanim na yeto se ha Ras Media GH. Meeting any Mr. Mafo, the sole host. I have production bibia yamia and ye is for. In any case, Michia Jaben or say hi. Mommy Monica to say, or say good evening. How are you? Mommy, I'm doing well. Me about Jennifer Edu, or say good evening, my brother. Good evening to you, my dear. My sister Esther K. Barima, or say greetings, Ras. Now, mommy too. So you too, mammy. Anna Joyce Afrim, or say good evening, mammy, or home at the saying. And Mimia Delmane Idrisu, or say good evening, brother, and all the family. Abusiano, enemy, Josopa. And the mammy and say, hello, family. Hello, mammy. Yamuakwaba. Mimia Bako, and sister Diana Apia. I say, good job, bro, and God bless you. God bless you too. Parkes, good evening, family. Good evening to you. You're welcome. And Mimia say Anthony. I say, good one, Mr. Manfo. Senior man. And Kupon Shroud. And Mimia Diana Bim. I say, God punish you this man. You are liar and evil. Refer to owusu bempah. KBM or say it is all about the mind game. And owusu bempah so owusu bempah and adwene and create situations na we create bibi no de am nipa adwene di agro o si ayana 1 ayana 2 pake we mantia ye pake bi on say banker to banker o say predict and win na say lotto lotto na ye twa me maame no leader nya akosi good evening Mr. Mafo, how are you doing and your family guest is all well. Mame bibi aboko bibi aso ekosu ye pa. Tua Agustina, I say good evening to you mame. Pake o say mame ama good evening. Pake bi o say the Darga Mahama has suddenly become a saint. Yeah. Obi a see moja born and one all of a sudden about be a saint. Pakesi they incited Ghanaians against some people. As I suffer for no, I people who in some money Ghana for. Mami Amasi owusu bempah the attention seeker. Mami Amabi Mosu owusu bempah you don't have no shame. If not, you would never go to beg John Mahama. Mami Amabi Mosu, you have seen what is going on in Ghana. It's not good. So you won't use that as a prophecy. So when the echo so Ghana and Tino, who person you say why prophecy in so boa? Pake must say the nurses have not been paid for 9 months now. Mami Amaso, be ashamed of yourself because you have been paid. Mami Diana appearance say good evening. Or say God will punish you. Mami Amaso, instead of you to preach the word of God to your members, look at what you are doing. Instead of you to preach the word of God look at what you are doing. Corrupt fake pastor. Who is forcing who? Wicked pastor. Mohammed and appearance will say, shut up, evil owusu bempah. Pake say, who is choosing who for who? And a Pake say, predict and when. Dole no tiampo ampon say, why Charles Owusu didn't see his pastor? And God media as good evening, my lovely family. And Mami Ama say, I wonder why Charles Owusu is still attending Owusu Bempah Church for not helping him to win as MP, but he is bragging as he chooses president. Mami Ama say, continue. And then Abronye and or Kasa. Pake is good. God media, good evening, my brother. How are you? Mami Ama say, because of this secret, that's why Ken wants to team up with JFK to stop Abronye to bring all this out. Yeah. Mama said never he would win, refer to Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Lewis don't consider the two most dangerous problems in Ghana now are Galamsey and so-called prophet. The two are killing the soul of Ghana. Mami Afro Mama say good evening. Nana Akuya Afro Papa B say good afternoon and blessing. Mimia Ankama Evans and so fantastic job, Chamai. Good, God bless you. Teddy, or say, hey, patient dance on the good evening, my brother. Thank you for your good job. Mami Amasi Owusu Bempah and his mafia boys always seeking attention on the media. Teddy say, and we shall all know the truth, and the truth shall set us all free. Teddy say, and we shall, okay. Mami Amasi, Teddy, long time. How are you doing? Package will say, God is this guy is a very useless guy. Package say, this guy is not making sense at all. Mimi Kofi Apia say, it is a disease of the Jantua family. Yes, because maybe we're friend Jantua, no, they could have put Yaris anyway. But Mahama said that in his speech in America. Yeah, he said that COVID and Ukraine-Russia war as a Nema. Paki said this guy is one of the NDC rented press. Yeah. Paki said the past few months he was talking against the NDC government. I think he has now gotten paid. I think so. And I'm saying the Paki can no kurepa. Kofi Apia said, Raz, why are you praying this rubbish from Jantua? Mami Elizabeth Achon, say good evening to everyone. Paki said, Mami, NDC can do just Man, NDC can do just about anything to keep people from talking against them. Mami, I must say yes, so pa. Richard Appiah could be stomach journalism in Ghana is killing the country. Parker say what I hate is when people say he's a fine gentleman. Mami, I must say look at him because he is being paid. Parker say where was this one too hiding? I think he's going crazy. Teddy say, Mami, I'm doing fine. Oh, hope you are also doing fine. Gift Yasare, Mami, was a good job, Mr. Mafo. Mami, I must say, Teddy, I'm doing good. Thanks. Parker say, Mami, you are fantastic. Parker be must say, Mami, you're welcome. Mami, I must say, welcome, Parker. Mami, Vivian Kuma, she said she came late. He's never late. Sa Obankwa di awaba. Aye. Parker be stomach journalism. Parker say he is the Judas of the MPP. That's referred to Kennedy Agyapong. Parker was he haven't seen such a thing before in the MPP. Susie Ajiman was good evening, Mr. Mafo. You're welcome, Mami Susie. Parker was thank you. Could I refer to your Mami Esther? And I say Aquana no Casan Nimfuna Hon Yefeni Wayosi. Parker was Abrakwa the yellow man. Parker was Dr. Bawumia all the way. Mami must say he's very he's very dangerous, wicked, and greedy man. Parker is saying when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. This was a thought of Dr. Bawumia and is always a thought of Dr. Bawumia. Parker is a fantastic woman, and I'm Mami Vivian Kuman so osere. Mami Chia Mimi Abada and Rivers Dole Osei and Appiah K. Stephen Emmanuel Bob Watson Evans and Kama Cleft na Kumia Eric Edu ena Elek Asamoah mechiamu nyina ena Richard Mensa Boza wonso mechia pa mechiache tiefo nyina ne mo brem da mo ase se da bia me ba mutumi nya bre entobo ase trase etiem nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na kopem se me de bibia beba na wiye me da mo nyina ase na me sangu so ase se unya subscribe ya subscribe snap fa wonse si adoma so se da bia ase mba life a wonso benya nka bosoma ba na one me abeche dwuma de na de abusia me ko but me nyamukwa me the video way tum na say e de bibia ba na wiye until we meet again. Adios.
Yankopon say Samuel and is na there be who plead for Saul. Free Saul the political party no because man reject no. Neko David in chain neko kwa anoint ne ye king because ono na machusu no. Enti onyame timi reject king and a president. Onyame say choose another king and as a president.
Has God rejected President Muhammad?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa.
Why? How?
So owo spiritual eye. Na se obeka no kra. Ohu Klaus a ewo Ghana ha no mo a obi face e Klaus no a e tears. Onyame buafu.
Say that again.
Unu ade afene Klaus.
Yes,
Mununkum. Obi anim ehye mununkum a ehye tears. God being so good, onyankopon sman angels se omumfa bow enso so tears no. Se beya and drop down. Antisa calamity ebesi omanyimu. Because onyankopon se ne ma e ogana ha. Na watie ne ma mpaibo. Nti punishment bi a aw se to man bi so ana o man so enam obi nti wa man angels at the bowl aso so eno mu de asi nchen eno onyankopon se Ghana fo nim ness wo mu go wrong against the onu nyankopon decide no say shaloto say yo say ye hwan yo onyankopon be masa ties no agu Ghana na se gu Ghana esuma Ghana fo ebe experience no ene bra Ghana fo be bre no obi antimi mblemu nyankopon. Because
you're getting more controversial and more complicated, Bishop.
Chain so be many ni west ene ne nine ene ne nsa ene onyankopon di na gina honom etwen judgment na sani pa ko ne wie be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana and Penfo Bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God, pure Ghana, and Momun person Bekanokre. Obitimi soreka se di entina we a prophet or prophesy about election. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. To so Nyankopon wusu old prophets. Emo prophesy afa government ho a. Na so read 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyame ka se ma frebi ama government a. Na chese sans of no kasa no, they don't know their scriptures. Omo ko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sin onyame na tu hene. Onyankopon kasa afa o mabia ho. Onyankopon ani wo mabia akonya ho. Obi bi obetina o mabia akonya so onyame nim hu bi. So befa kwamboni so be wiamo so be dey onyame nim hu bi. But judgment ni duru honoma, God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Or a Ghanaian.
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Na me peso be a challenge me. Menkasa me nkwa na me man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, mintiminda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Bibi asi o man we say mu a. I'm surprised. Send me patimi yes ade no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enu nti onyankopon bu fu so. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matem I don't mind. Because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fu onim no mu san ma John Mama be president biema eniem be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo dating to.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame semenka. So I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa,
you are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa,
the president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan.
The reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Josaphat, because Onyankopon so rejected Ahab and then a wife Jezebel, because emoja woman saho, woman left here bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab. Onyankopon decided to be kumuno. A Josaphat cause wa help no. Ko nyame kum Josaphat. Obi a nyame reject no yen help no yemwa no.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na nadu be win but yem fama no. Ebe ko court but yem fama no, and it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but omo fama na ebe ko kopie court and AC.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Eni patimi di omo ho. O man kasa self here. Senka David tena ho. And anka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David e fili na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice. Powerful advice. Accurate. Emma David who say go in a tough. One shampabwa to Brika echo mountain top ko bomb pese rade bremubi na baby adunedin. Because Ahithophel advice no dia ma me ba Absalom no me kingdom na ba wiye. Erade me your favorite bremubi eno nyame ba mubi. Ento nyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom na kwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yankwase asem e wo Absalom asum e mo kotie nkwala asem e mo nyame yusu sa e de save David. enti papa me ka no kra kyerɛ Ghana fo sɛ enyo bia no nyame de ne tena konya so nipa bitimi de woman kasa self etimi de tena konya nyame mfa mo so.
In 2008 did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Me kai say Awurade bie mani the 31st all night ana me hu say Nana do kuta key obi e do no de mu yansa nkrofobia distracting attention de mu yansa President Atamils efri na chia ko radan no ene mutoye me ka sa ba no ye beto no more than once ene copy time. As for that onyame penenim
the clouds crying, who is that?
Me ka chiro
when
minu mienu sia me ka chiro
who has been
enye se misuro se me ka
who has been chained. You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, on nam Ghana hadebia.
He's an evildoer?
No. Wakamo jebi ay dibi magu amo nyame buafu.
And he's been chained.
Jebi dibi mu. Obi boaw edu jina baby papa yenhwie ne moja ngu and taking position. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying, but
no, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
Like the one in the clouds.
I'm in pain, yeah.